Share. Wokuyanda su still yengu. Wasro kwaswana kume musum. We make DJ adan mosu. We stay midama su still wongu. Shadi wando. Amiti wando.
Radio Papa. Thank you. Radio Papa. Thank you.
She obini manka walupa munkobi walutoma minyesiga bontobi shade obini manka sama tu kofi with the prison mamulu zontoli tarado obini anka miyelo liba mushishobi makama sama chire nupo maminyobia onteo asemi kamiyelo liba mushishobi obi mama munyu machile nupo maminyobia onteo adubu wilanya wanka erade nyawanka adubu wilanya wanka erade nyawanka she wokuyanda su still yengu wasro kwaswana kume musum we make DJ adan mosu we stay midama su still wongu shadi wando amiti wando anajide sema yadida na wane wacheche na wale kanchi nyamadugu yado nasuni na entumu ambe sefide sufu we fide bubu makofi mulu cruising na mecha savena irade nyawa waya ya mantasi nyawanka au shade nyawa shohinu bakwe nyawanka adubu wila nyawanka irade nyawanka mama
Radio Papa. Thank you.
Ghana adisiye Obuoba Ofori Amanfo Maakye ediba AHENKAN933 FM.
Kanina chirawa wala mama kanina chirawa wala senye bidoyo sambo bidoyo ayasemo ashi yana yele Shami otanfuni di binyimno intakano mputi paka muslo nanso tanfuni yankura emuso yankuna baba bati basa made mulubakolo finyi pandi wawa hadifi abusi ucha yendo
Come on. What a gospel. What a gospel. Oh. Obini yamanka warukwa minkobi. Ntobi. Obini yama.
Obini yamanka sama tu
kwesi.
Prison mamulu zontoli tarado
Obini yama. Mieloli ameshusho biya minya. Minyobia. Adumuranya wanka. Minyobia. Adumuranya wanka. Eradinya wanka. Adumuranya wanka. Yadomwa. Adumurano. Still yengu. Wana kume musum. Still yengu. Adi on you. Adi on you. Ah. Arajo. Hey. Hey. Seba. Nyawanka. 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 Aha. 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 Abrantie nyamisira no. Nyamisira no. Bobi mamio. Bobi mamio. Bobi mamio. Osi obi wo hono mo a wone wo sere kwa. Nanso wo makoma mu yesum. Eka obi nko ananka ye kwa wuntumi nkobi. Eka obi nko ananka ye to a wunya sika na watobi. Nanso so nyina mu adumura. Sembo obi na you. Obi aboa obi anya amane. Obi waboa obi o wanya amane. Akoro na bagaga yenna. Eyadom. Saba. Eya Bobi mami o. Bobi mami o. Obompaya. Bobi mami. Madini ya mama. Bobi ne you. Senye bi ne you. Bobi ne you. Bobi ne you. Oya semo. Coming through. Oh no, so me everybody nyankopon boy. Oh my goodness. So some 35 minutes after 6 a.m. live on AHENKAN933.3 FM. Today happens to be the 21st day of January 2022. Broadcasting from our national studios here at Obuoba. Come on. We are networking the globe with the help of www.ahenkanfmonline.com, my tuning modern Ghana, streaming live on Facebook, alternatively on YouTube. Ninaya AHENKAN933.3 FM. Abusiafo na no pa meji say adum wura na adum nti wo ho ye. Oh, me so me ho ye pa. Dawa. Nyawanka. Boy, Nyankopon Nhyira no. I'm talking about Kofi Kenata. Nyankopon Nhyira no. Enwom a me boy ye enwom a eye gospel true do. Enti senke ye my gospel artist of the year. Anka wosenke ye de ma brantie. Because who tie enwom ni mu nsem a wotumi se nyame wo so. Nyankopon so. Anopo me dofo megidi se bibia ekoyie. Se bibia ekoyie de ne na on behalf of the solid production team in town. Adwempani Kofi Mengsa, Kobi K, Kwame Asante, Odi Ahenkan Kwame Yaboa, Ofremi Obuoba Ofori Amanfo, the Commander General, Adwin Kesiye. Anopensu Asantana sin semono ye ko twibo breman. Near Ehinta, or Doman Komani Krochia Mansa Badusem, Yako Akofa Nina Ba, Yakodo Sukwako Faba, yes, in Konya de Bremo, the free sabre of him said, none do Ebewa no pain in the air. Fela Nina ha and our better no. Live on your family favorite radio station, AHENKAN933.3 FM. Eyasam. Ayensuro. Otamfo de yenimu no. Enti senke ye ono nkwampo na ebe sori atia yen ya. There is a saying that goes, the evil you know is better than the angel that you do not know. Enti nke ye omunkwam kra de anka ye ni problem. Nanso so otamfo ne yonko a oye me nso me yonko a minnimu no na wo betie masem no ode akwa seme no. Ono no de na ehu o. Abrante ne nyum no to ye na me se ya munni bre amodi tie nsem no okeka ye no. But se wu nya bre tie nsem no a okeka ye woni nyum ni mu a. Anka ye pre-gospel artist of the year anka mu nyina be ka me ho. Ne de ama Kofi Kinata. Kofi Kinata is a gospel artist ankaza. Enyo mo e kan 1 2 3 4 5. This is a lyrical gospel content. Come on. Come on. Eduru baby a mejai na enwom no watie mu nsem akwa akosi. Mejai o. Menkasa. Mna mama enwom na gbo a na watie enwom mu nsem oka mfante. Nti wanhwe ya nsem na okeka no nte ne yie. But eduru baby a mejai na watie enwom mu nsem no. No one said this is gospel. When we are talking about real gospel, this is real gospel. I don't pray my more achibium and some from AHENKAN FM. So medofo and then we've got a lot of issues we will deal with. We will deal with squarely. If you had a so dear as we speak now, no Civil and Local Government Staff Association Ghana, would say nano near no bon common or much less say yawo we said ye be was ye ma warm condition of service, be was ye ma warm fama warm a whole lot of issues na pop up. I don't pay one more call it off or strike ya yes so mo be kono. Ye be na ye di mu nkomo sanso so and a Ghana National Council of Private Schools. And so I sorry to say semester calendar no a Ghana Education Service de aba no omo chese niam bibiri wo ho no mo a enkoyie and into oma sorry etia Ministry of Education so na nkrofo bi ne na mo keka say 44,000 teachers and a 2021 omo nyina gya de kira den omo kire say teacher adwuma ne ye fon empanimfo de nkrata aba monte so say no kribi ani sa ensem no emu Ghana aban na wasere no ka kire ne say wonhwe na agricultural sector 2022 se niam abeko yi a wonhwe kwan yo befa so a obe prioritize na boa na yetimi enyamfa so bebre no ade afiri kuayo ensem emu. This and many more along the way. No, so we will put our spotlight on Ghana Black Stars, one more abysmal performance a course in the Egusokra course ongoing 2021 AFCON tournament Egusu ekoso ewo Cameroon no almost abysmal performance no anopo ye behwe ne edi mu nkomo live on this show. Makamasa machire nupo maminyo bia onteo asemi kamiyelo lima mushisho bi obi mabamunyu machire nupo maminyo bia onteo adubu wilanya It is a freaky funky Friday, and until you get it, say enano, we will spice your day with some good tunes. We will make sure say you begin the weekend in a grand style. So what you say? I don't see no pray Omanfo Mutie ewo Toulouse and or France. Bonjour. Jaba. What do I enjoy because it is an interactive show. We therefore encourage you to be an active listener by way of sending your comments, thoughts, sentiments via our normal SMS number 0594 841044 0594 841044. Juma Mubarak to all our Muslim brothers and sisters. And among mosque and Empire. So talking about Juma, a very good friend, Abdul Malik, Saini SP, head of sports, Bosome FM. Charlie Juma Mubarak. Eneko Asori Wati. Ukwako Bompa from here. Sansuso ena Muhammad Ewo Fadama and crime. Arope Muhammad Salamu Alaikum. Shiba Dala afraid me don't for my phone auntie when net send you mu brain some besia ko na kai ebiem enso so say senia me bo wa mane nansa ne ne se yes no ye wo shorter day longer night and only a brofo ye de ba yankasa mu ane omo pa kire nyina ne se enche na ade asa na sa ade be chi no eya na ano odin pa nti sisi ya woda sori ya sisi ya keken kan ma bu ma na ade asa side be ya ade be chi eno ne ade a ano odin pa nti se kane no ebebo no nsia na awia kra tumi pie but as we speak na ebebo no nsia ekobo no nso kra na ewie mu ntete wie ye eni nti se wa ma wani ana ho na wo ya akwadworo na na se wie mu ntete ye ma me na kakra metwim mu kakra wani beba ho so no na wakwadworo ni mu agu ase poto wo kete ne so nti yesere mo shorter day longer night ebremu na ye wo no omo kire se ye bewo we mu saa kopem March ne da etoso aduonu nti ya na wa hyene nso de amame ewie mo bran nsam anopan so omo de ba ya omo se men kan kire ofri anopan kopem anwumre o kire se ene awia enso so ebebo awia ne wo wie mu saa awia ne bebo kama na ye kwa anwumre bire mu a wo kire se ewie mu bete fam ama obia enso so eho atumi atono still no ade se ye hamatano say ye dry season say ye denyo that's one na mu a ope no ene na mu saa mema ne nyo nwanwa sanso omo kire se ye wo eye opepon bosome emu opepon bosome nso de se ya na etie eni ti ya na wa hye ne nso edi amame anopa yi ye behwe na ene aso ya omo no mo hwe forestry nso so edi nkomo kakra omo atufo se mo amokukwafuo mu no mo hwe na mo amfa gya anka mo ho anko udi gya kan ho kɔ na eja ne gye wo nsɛm a ebedi ewu ebedi bɔne ama bɛkɔfa ha akɛse de aba ɛnra odi wani kyerem ɛwɔ apiate ɛno wɔ bogos so explosion kɛse fire explosion kɛse kɔ so ama eniema asɛ wɔ hɔ no enya asɛnketo ɛni nti omutu ye nyina afo sɛ mo ma yɛ ni na hɔ eja hyehye ebetimi asi sɛ oyɛ careless ya wa mo wani ana hɔ me di je kwafuo ma kototo mankani me di me pacho omo se munyae ebetimi akofa o ha kese e di aba she woku yanda su still yenwu wasro kwaso ana kume musu we makendi je anden musu we steady me ma su still wonwu aro pay me general manager ne maame ye friend maame adwoa o bompa ya no abobia ma ye wate sansa na jude suoma ya deda no na nkrofo bi kanche na bibia anya hu se nia wo sere kire wo na nsusu ni tirim eye sum ono de no hu pa but yerim se ye wo empanimfo bi to se ye maame adwoa general manager maame no omo bompa ya de amayan ya enkonim die nko a so ati ase nyawanka afei me dofo fa Bible no ne emongura me ne ye wo mre no kakra na yentimi nsua ade kakra onim say for 4 days now ena me ne adi nkoma afa ensem aya wo ka ho obroni atro obrofo kasa bi say you possess what you confess enioma wo de wano ka no eno ne ye ba wo nchen eni nti say ubetumi aka ne ma papa ma na ba wo nchen a anopa yi ye de bibi foforo de ka ho obafo no obaye no de bibi foforo de aba ose kokoka kire me nkrofo muti AHENKAN933 Maakye anopa bia say me na mo so aka kire wo mo say eniema o mu bia o ma no eka no eno ne ba o mo ho na ansa na eniema o bebie wa no beka no ebeye ade papa ebeba wo nchen no agesa wo di nipa wo mo adwene mu ye fan enipa wo mo so dwene papa enipa de bia eka wo mo nkona nka wadi yie enipa e ka omonko de bi ombo mpae de ma wo se awurade nhyira wo awurade nya wo kese awurade ma wo so nkyere wiase awurade nyi wo mfiri sum mra han mu awurade mpagya wo mfiri adom mu nkwa adom mu saa nkrofo no omodwene papa no saa nkrofo no e ka omonko na nka de bi awurade esira wo no saa nkrofo no na e wo se wo de won etwa won ho esia enu ntia no pe wo se me ba mi misa mo se enipa ben na wo de won etwa wo ho esia ubetumi aye leader. You can be a member of parliament, political terrain, no? You can be a party chairman. You can be party secretary. You can be party organizer, youth organizer, women organizer, whatever. You can be a leader of a certain political party. But bisa won say, enkrofo na wo de wo mo atwa wo ho ahia. Omo aye wo boot lickers. Omo de wo yes massa no enkrofo na wonu di nkomo no enkrofo na wonu efa adwen no wa bisa wo ho da say do they mean well for you? Do they wish well for you? Surround yourself with positive people so that always they will be vibing positively. Ntano pe was me ba mi misa wo say enipa wo de wom atwa wo ho ahia. Those that you call friends, those that you call family members, those that you call that you can confide in them, those that can say, oh, we mu de se ma bra bo ne yire so kire so a me call wo mo ho no mo a me no mo kobon komo a me ye okay. They can be pastors. Yes. You are so funny. The last time I was talking about asofo ni bi suban your sofo bu ono mo a wo de ofo so your sofo or how bi na wo ko kan kire no ade bi a enwo se enipa bi te nanso so wo je wo sofo dia to the stand say wo dim se kwa wo ko kan kire sofo e die enya de asofo be kan kire obi o kan kire sofo no the following day osofo gi microphone hallelujah what the one sem no na wo di preachie anope wo se mi misa because se onipa ni bi wo ho no mo a ba bi a wo wani kire na nya ho no mani kire ensem ne nkoma a wudie no enya san ensem ne nkoma no wo mo pe ani to se me ba mimisa o say before you be able to possess what you confess, you know, was I would check those that you surround yourself with. Enkrofo etwasia wo ho omo anu mu di nkomo no, do they think like you? Do you people think alike? Mu nyina mu di mani a kire ba bi amoko hwe se utu kwan akonkran na ukoduru odan station baby ankran ka wo na obi nsu utu kwan akokumase na ukokoduru ho no wo se ukokɔhwe kumasefo ka no efe chen wo a wo konkran no o ka no a na enu nti okɔ akɔtena kumasefo ka mu a madam bra sister minua mame papa wafom kwan san se wo no o konkran eni nti nkran na okɔ no se ka na mode kɔ ni mpo ya abonkela ni ya hye wutirimu ne se o konkran eni nti ye nkranfo ka mu de won so okɔtena eye nkrofo a wo mo konkran ene wo so no wo mo efa adamfo eye nkrofo a wo mo konkran ene wo so no wo di nkomo san se omo na omo te enkran kasa no ase baby a okono, they understand the language they speak. They understand the currency they use as a means of a transaction. And it is surround yourself with people who always think positively. Surround yourself with people who know where you are heading towards to, and they believe in it. Surround yourself with people who believe in your craft. Surround yourself with people who believe in your giftings. Surround yourself with people who believe in your dream, in your vision. If you surround yourself with people who do not believe in you, people who always want you down, people who are always praying, say nyankopon emenim guasiento anase nim guasienka no. Say surround yourself with people who think alike. People that you think alike with. And before you be able to possess, you know, I was saying when crofwa, one when it's a baby a walker and a nanty. Some say, a san crofone and on betom casase. As we are here, a AHENKAN933 casa. Obi or no what different station, no. One on tea and ye casa. Onu ni nim yen strategy, onu ni nim kwan ye fa so a ye de ye niema wa ha. And if I force myself chenchana say kwanya ye fa so ye niema wa ha no menini sia sa na wo so ya emwa me. Do you get it? We are Pentecost ni. Ebi amu Pentecost for no mon say mokwa sorry amu your opening prayer we are. The next thing will be worship. The following thing will be praises. Asori bi nso nya ne de sa. Asori bi nso ye opening prayer ni we are. Or ye praises and san why worship. Onso se chenchena sania wo ye wo de ne sa na wonya ne de. No. Mom dom na kwahwehwe omo a omo nso so ekwan ya fa so ye wo de no. Sa pepepe en omo ye omo de. Na wo no omo nante. Surround yourself with people who think positively. Ya wan krofo bi ho no mo a o ka se chale makohu ayi bi o fela bi a o de ya wadwen se wumia no wo yi a kire na nka waboa wo na nka timi abamu no o ka kire ni wie ya o senti ye ne den oni hwe ya wo de boa wo enu ntina Bible say in the book of Proverbs chapter 13 we are reading from the verse 20 for Bible no mamisa Proverbs chapter 13 we are reading from the verse 20. Or say, he that walketh with wise men shall be wise, but a companion of fools shall be destroyed. He that walketh with wise men shall be wise. And he said, Obi, any nyansafo nante, na so ye nyansani sa ne Bible kanwa. Se obi nso so ne omo nya nyansafo nante obeye de ba de. Inti bra so anka wo no nka wo de kobo mpaye no they will tell you say massa we are doing a WhatsApp group chat. Inti ebra so a e wo senka sa bra no udo suko wo mpaye bom nanka o ka tonso no la baba lebre kapa ratorobo sabra kapa na ya send you message say massa come online let's chat let's vibe. Hey Charlie what you dey do there? Let make you come online make we talk about Charlie hey kwe massa Padibipa Masa, listen. If you continue to swim with people like this, brah, your vision can never come to pass. Mind who you mingle with. I was a woman here of great concern. People that you mingle with. And to say you can confess heaven and earth, it will never come to pass. Ube to me a confess say, ube ye wiase nyina billionaire. Yes, Bible say you you possess what you confess. Yes, yeah. But say confess say you would want to become the world largest billionaire. Obi owo sika pa ya ka sika on e wo. Na wo no kan sa akeke. Na se wa anya ho adwuma emam. Adwuma na wo be no so you need people who are also billionaire minded. Billionaire minded. Anything you say birds of the same feathers, they flock together. Politicians, you see, say politicians will always be working with politicians. Why? Because they know what they want, and they think alike, and they make sure, say, they befriend people who are also going the same trajectory. Oh dear, also for I was over as of 1 and 4. Asofo ne nyomu nyina o asofo ne twusu ebinom ye papa ebinom nya papa nti wo asofo papa onso pe asofo papa adamfo enam say ewiase nyansa nyina ni wutirim te duru ba bia bi betimi ache wadwen so then you consult no aboa wo you help each other but wanye ne sa na ya wadwen say osofo wo be kofa politicians namfo a omo de omo canality no e de be kum wasore no de be dum asore ni se afwen ene ensore ni bebre ye tiase awuo asofo mpanimfo a ye bu omo e na asore ni ye omo dia na nso so omo nsore ni ye tiase awuo aden nyame honhom na dwane afirim because enkrofo bi omo ko fa omo namfo enkrofo bi omo ye de omo fa omo namfo nti enkrofo bi omo de omo twa omo ho ahie nti omo kan break kura break ni mreki aduro na toro power no atoro eni nti nipa wo de omo twa wo ho hia enipa wo no bi di nkomo da bia eni nti na mete ya mini adamfo no mini adamfo because one ya when a baby baba when he bed what the awful so this is my friend and I'm trying to spill all the beans, spill it all. And out of trimude complacency ne emotional massaging ne maniema utrima yo de na wo ka wonsem wo kan nsem ni nyina kire ni wiye no eda asem be pai no na wafa na wode atia wo nti me namfofo nyina wo nkran me hwede ma fewa boro so a chale come visit me ekwan da ho you come visit me ekwan da ho no mo a but make sure ni amika bi nto wo da but yen ye bi ato yen da ne de yese dia o wa aka no ohunu sonson kura wusuro unu obi be kwaka asem no onu ankasa di bi afia ho because omo wa surround yourself with no omo adwene nye papa nkrofo no wa fa omo adamfofo no omo adwene nye papa and nti wo ka say I take it crema because they won't help you to achieve that vision. And on Ghana penny for say, so what do I not done with that? And yes, you can confess all the things I many pedi ye, but so why you who a juma embem a juma now ben so here nipa answer. Yen director odia nkan osikani nyansani nyame ya na dum onya sika a obi a radio we no na ka womo a they think just like him and omo be bwana mana ya adwuma. Unfortunately for him, all the people who onya ye no they all think just like him. Sanka we nyomo a edwene tsa wono a nka sa bere nka station hi nka gu enwu ya nka egu so bonyom. Surround yourself with positive people so that always you can be having positive vibes. Nintu mi muawo. Awurade nkoswa nkan ho. Na koswa kenkan Bible no. Proverbs chapter 13 the verse 20. Mame mfa Galatians chapter 5 22 to 23. Enkan ho Nyankopon ya adoma Monday ye ba eno so ye behwe na yesunya kakra na aboa ye nyina. Awurade adom no so mayen. Na onkoswa nhyɛ yɛn den sɛne ɛbɛyɛ yɛbɛtumi choose positive people to surround us so that when we confess we can possess it. Amen. Sports up next. We are Ebesanaba.
This is the moment we're waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, it's sports time!
Musiamu na kwaba erba AHENKAN933 FM so mraso ya de agudie mu nsem e de eba ensama ekotwi ekobrema na no ya bobo no ene anopa ya de ebre wo ebekwa manone akọfa ma no nsem kakra e de abaye wi betia bafie na fe de afisem kakra ensaka no e de apeso e de amount anano oda ene se Ghana Blasters ombroskoto e de fi afcon mu ya de mu nsem ni na enso e de ba ene anopa ne ene abusuafo ni na ene ya kentoma enso obani nda no pa ya de agudie mu nsem e de ebre wo twa chembre no no so abo pa semano bako ene ya transe ya de agudie mu nsem e de ebre wo foster ena eye producer ende anopa e obrempon opokuare ena fe kwabena ajenim enso supportation no ende anopa kwame asante ere ko Facebook misumidi ere kofi ajiri eje ena yese yakantuma boni a ere agudie mu nsem e de ebre wo na ansa na ebekwa fa nsem no de abano kamone mfa sedasem en confirma ekumfi fori roofing system ekumfi senda no pay me bondewuro na me kamfencho me se aya sidan yo sidan afiwe de obia sidan intiri so be sidan a foni kiremo mo kumfia kache na kokopɛ nkyɛnse papa na fa bɔ dan ne so na fe bianko ye enso emfama governor reference sheet aluminium reference sheet alozik nyini na obenya biato na fe bibia akoye enso ede amount na ba ne nkyɛnse papa de sopo no emfa ho ene kala wo pɛ size wo pɛ no wode wani kyire mo ewo akumfia kache a osabe kami na fe bibia akoye enso ede amount na akumfi se eba na estimator eye free ukopio na kache a bibia be koye wana obetena se no no wadi nkomo no wo nkyɛnse ndo do a obetumi de aboda no so kopio mo watimoda no ne akumfi kodi nkomo ambo ben liberty transport no amone no ene edi nhwani mo akona na pronsa kase ne so na so be hu akumfi na abakoto mba mienu na samo fe ye pa sister Ruth na fe Doris na no odi nkomo na bia koye diama oni akumfi ndi nkomo e wo sa wo matufo so 0244 749913 0244 749913 0362 195307 ofre kumfin for the roofing system obaje so di nkomo na bia koye enso diama ye tu fan kwa manone ne question samna se enso mfama endro kopiemo ewo England the say EF4 cup no eye ade semi final match bako etofem na say en ekokosi ye Arsenal etna ho eye nhwahan ema Liverpool ekochomo epokan mienu a Arsenal etumi ante enti kopiemo as a Liverpool abroskoto Arsenal ade no afremo enti eye Liverpool ene Chelsea ene eco final yade musem no ede ejao yenkopiemo that was Spanish La Liga Santander endra match no chencheche ba ko tofem gatefe trafi wo bakano enan ama Granada etekani no na sakopiema we Mallorca na nke ada omne Real Sociedad enso boni that game no empirifo postpondia yade musem no ede ejao yenkopiemo awo AFCON ase endra matches bebre and na se etoto fema na sei and na scorelines no ekoko wieye Ivory Coast watrafi opekani miensa ama Algeria etekani bako Sierra Leone etra ho eyan hwahan ama Equatorial Guinea ekwachomo epokani bako ama tumi ante table no sei enete Ivory Coast or 7 points wa qualify Equatorial Guinea enya 6 points wa qualify Sierra Leone ogudu babai okofi 2 points Algeria ojugu babai onusu kofi 1 point yani musem edi amao yanko group F no say ene kokko wiye endrada Gambia opekane bako Tunisia etumi anteka no Mali ebokane mi no ema Mauritania etumi anteka no table no say ena esitie Mali etopi group no 7 points Gambia otosumi no 7 points Tunisia otosumi 3 points omni na qualify na Mauritania de ojugu babai wonu so kofi wanya point bia ondo obi atina na wabona ene koma kra eba yade musem no edi ejao yenkopiemo ewo eye ukopiemo ewo England chese ende Premier League matches no ebi be totofema say ena Asia ko Watford wabetina fi oni Norwich City edebabo ni 8 p.m. game no etofem nyame ya duma detena say en etoto so Everton watenafi wone Aston Villa edi boni 12:30 p.m. game no etofem Brentford watenafi wone Wolfsburg edi boni 3 o'clock game no etofem Leeds United etenafi wone Newcastle edi boni 3 o'clock p.m. no game no etofem Manchester United watenafi wone West Ham United edi boni 3 p.m. no game no etofem Southampton abatrafi wore Manchester City edibaboni 5:30 p.m. no game no etofem nyakopon adoma kwasiada da kache no say en echo Arsenal wabatrafi wone Burnley edibaboni 2 o'clock p.m. no game no etofem Crystal Palace watrafi wone Liverpool edibaboni 2 o'clock p.m. game no etofem Leicester City wabatrafi wone Brighton edibaboni 2 p.m. game no etofem and afi Chelsea enso no was pay Ediba Bunny 4:30 p.m. kwasiada game no etofema yedi musem enso edi ejao yemfia na fenkwedi nkumakra enso mfema okototema report formo enso aba ene sesia enkomo twetwe no akoye pa ese Antonio Conte wawremo e waye bobo a yefane Sevilla omne abrante yefane Diego Carlos edi nkomo dibia ekoya abrante betufa abesia kan erema totema ene nkumakra eba yedi musem no edi ejao yanko Basa nyeni nkomaka enso mfama ukopio Basa abrantia yafan Osuma Dembele abrantia na bobo woni boye pa na ukopio reporter eba and so say Branty is simple for the needing come on so best standing contract no and so no basa no just say I'm up on the two ba and some no to be and totum na Branty and Sunny contract no and so and from a basa na reporter aba and it says Basono from pen for as a Branty and copy so best standing contract no just say nya de oba kekebo and ma basa na no and say a yes Spanish football federation for and then some dia to draw I'm say banasa dia na basa I'm na Branty for Dembele and in ye it no I'm Branty kwan na enyam number se na keten kran se on sign contract no enso from Barca ene kuma ka eba yede musam no edi ejao Paris Saint-Germain akate report eba enso sama remo awo Tottenham Brentford fan Tonga Ndombele amne no edi nkomo eye loan ena so omde ko bibia etoma Brentford no wonya bimbo from Tottenham into wa kopimo awo PSG ene kuma eba yede musam no edi ejao last story na fe yantimra Africa na yantimra fi na edi nkomo enso emfama Piemo, ewo aye boboku a ya fan Toriama report formo enso aba and say goalkeeper ya fan Hugo Warris no they see Branty was signing the contract no 2 years contract edema Toriama and concopim 2024 Branty no talk so esia kan edema Toriama yedimusam edi ejao ya Timbra Africa ne ni komo enso mfama esia kopiemo ewo ya Africa after say endrada games in na to top fam no say and say team sama qualify no and am fixtures and the Oceano say and esitie and game bia any ho Nyankopon ya do me dat na game bia any ho nemom kwasi ada ya be san so hyase Burkina Faso wa betena fi woni Gabon at the Ebony we a round of 16 matches just be top fam no Burkina Faso Asia Gabon kwasi ada for Okropia game no top fam Fukasiada na Nigeria and Tunisia and Airport 7:00 p.m. game no top fam enti do be shene Nyankobia na se ukofi Nyankopon ayadoma Monday game no so Guinea watena fi on Gambia first game for 4:00 p.m. game no top fam and no Jordan na fi 7:00 no Cameroon and so and Comoros Ghana former stars na so omokusiamo enti Cameroon and Comoros and Ebony and no Monday 7:00 p.m. Yadimusam no enso dia jao nyame adoma Tuesday Senegal watena fi woni Kived edebebani for 4:00 p.m. no game no top fam Morocco and Malawi edebebani 7:00 p.m. game no top fam afi ukwada just Ivory Coast and Egypt edebebani and no first match just about top fam for 4:00 p.m. no game no top fam na fe Mali and so any Equatorial Guinea at the Abani and no wukwada 7:00 p.m. say and the parents no see ati adimusam and so at the ejao yendin komaka and soon femfia no and famao Nyankopon adoma Ghana Premier League at top of fam and out ye say no matches no AC Akko Accra Lions obetina fi on as good at the Abani and no that match no and so top fam yedimusam no at the Aba Karula United and House of Folk and Albany Nyankopon adoma kwasiada bibia no Go Stars Legon Cities Omobani Great Olympics King Faisal the Albany Eliminations and Brekum Chelsea Edebani Kumasi Santikoroko and Mbendema Edebani 11 Wonders and RTU Edebani and after Dream Chelsea and so and Diana that game no Monday and super top fam yedimusam no at the amount near floor na friend coding kumaka and femfria near near fan semnisi na Obuoba Ofori Amanfo and Tosum Famawa and Taye and as the Comoros for at Ghana Guayen a year 1 year a man near my uncle and some from my blasters they said a cat and Nabusian for no Omunina atumi ababedu Ghana na endrada ena sa Branty fan Foster etwebren eye ket ena so ne ket di nkomo akra ena one ket di nkomo no ena obusan se etiket o hwe eye 28 players coach Milovan Rayback eto nsade from na tese omodembo ena se de osi assess players no sign ena osi ehu 28 players tese omkogo Ghana ni mase ewo Cameroon enkotensema ket okreku edetu anim endra animre no
omampenyin ejaye kwan say yenko representing Ghana na yen boy modern to win the title yen winning in 40 years. Indeed, every player coach no excellent year and full commitment. We are very committed towards the cause. Now we are very focused towards being competitive and winning an AFCON title for Ghana for the first time in 40 years. Unfortunately, no, Ankoye, and the league table, no, at the end of the first round, no, so that picture clearly. Ghana, for the first time since 2006, qualify out of the group.
Yes, into way ketokre kunsam kakra. Wadi tu Ghana ket ya sansu bisano. Se ko pima ebane sign and as a Ghana for ye koye then anko ye and ama Ghana ko go one mass na papa dia tuja was set se preparation no na se niema enko ye na coach Efen Milovan wanya eye preparation ye and as wanya enough time amfanye preparation ahobobo no na ewo fam eno na amboga na kote ensema ket okreku eretu yanim.
Up to 4 clear days training with Team Nida before any competitive game. For all the games now, World Cup games now, last player of the team, they arrive on a Tuesday, Thursday, bubble, and on Friday, bubble. Now, talk say AFCON, my opportunity of 2 weeks to prepare. Unfortunately, out of the blue, and FIFA edited directive by say clubs can hold on to their players up to the 3rd of January. Into the last players, from England and from Spain and Belgium, about blast of camp on the 4th of January. Tournament will start here on the 9th. Again, not after 4 clear days, and a coach with the team. So you could see clearly, say, team, naturally, improve match after match. First game you lose here, second game you draw. Third game now confirms the belief, say, more uninterrupted training.
Yes, eno aya GFA president papa fane keto kreku ana se ore nsam no ere tu anim dia ka cheni na awia obrempono poku arba oba we hwie guo no ede amane ye konen kasa fabric samin kamfancho se ope eye suit na to foni kwechemu nkasa kache eye kaftan ana ope bia to ko abenya bia to na ba no eye materials ene eye entare no ho ne mabredi a wori wani kwechemu ewo enkasa fabrics a ebe bo ye pa na ne bo no to de e fom se bokko foni mo ewo aye Accra ACCRA ukodu Accra ka so pe mokola oduru mokola ka so pe store na ma aye C403 ana se D347 no udu ho a te se obehunu enkasa na akotu niama beton na bia koye enso ede ama amo ben aye ukopiem oye mokola ewo Accra te se ombe Ghana School of Law no te se mo ben ye pa na fa kopie bia to na bia koye enso diama woni enkasa ndi nkomo 0243 422591 0243 422591 and I says 0242 876780 when enkasa din komo the biabe koye e de amount na so ko tuniama ababeton yede wusi na fe Obuoba Ofori Amanfo ato the amount to brajanim opokuware faster amo boy ende anopay mesumini e di Kofi ajiwi eje and e kabom di agudie mu nsem e di ebrewo
Fabrics. Hey, Enkasa.
When your friend Achia lo papa now say
Enkasa Fabrics. Difference in so quality ni great. In fact, a bad materials a pie de pam tadie bia. Your one-stop shop. Enkasa Fabrics.
Enye we she unia sembia o. Enti so your fashion designer.
Na upam suit, wedding gown, kaftan, ladies dress, and now occasion bia antadia. Na unim Enkasa Fabrics dia. Enye na we ya a cake.
Eba Italian wool, Massimo, Italian cashmere, dustmark, brocage, any other quality fabrics. And one Enkasa.
So what person will pam na etija, a yefe, a fatao, na ejiwa who offered dia, and one Enkasa Fabrics.
Our shop number C403, Makola Shopping Mall, opposite Ghana Law School.
Follow our Instagram and Facebook at Enkasa Fabrics.
Enkasa Anafre 0242 876780 and 0243 422591.
Enkasa Fabrics.
Enkasa.
Obaba Yankopon Islam papa Yankopon Islam dia in kan po ni po no na dwen so de adwuma we ba ha ni pakon ogitum Yankopon Islam se nipa na Obaba no pe wa kan sema man papa Obo Yankopon kan ho na de kan ho na yi akere
Obuoba manage ma ho fama se and metimi nya because my trust every time we a product to be frank you are a product that we have to be proud of you nyami shira obebre
Uro utumu anu mucha What panty are you wearing? What color of panty? I saw them. So for preaching, Obi Bisani me as what color of panty are you wearing? I know they wear any pant. I know they wear any. Ukonya mi fi wunja dross. Hey generation yarima mempong. Hey. Sana motia, mama my foot went to your feet. Let's pose. Shower dress. Udross so yira yashu champagne say. Nasha. Robo dross so ye romantic. Robo dross ye romantic. Kenya mi aju natural. Afi na akoso wensa papa Yesu ye da waseda. You know that kind of prayer. About what you say, amen. And I was say, and the one me aware ni ababe drufi papa. Ye ni akuku dry the yes I did to see Peter. Into Besha when we nyamwa home kronko. The father na no mumsho as a way empire way. Abran crofo yadi ku kolebu a wo mu yampa right empire.
Kisi siakisi wanko kawo bia no siakisi nyabotre na ade bawfo asede akomya sinso awosuo bi asi baabi oba osuru wonyame ono ne ede ne bobra ono ye ne bobra enye to akese Ghana mema mu de fat ass bekon Atupebi bekun, the obeko bunsem chim. Friday ya make us say we should be there. We fear why you now wompa who will be fear or china will be seen in Yema. Hadia chair, what a trans on them. We jare. Meso when you make us one mawa depa, what the namna mempe will be an why you feel boys here go up so can you why you feel pescankwa the year funny jeans ya what the Nigerian the posa is see at the hatter because jeans are now at this cab I would your mountain and yes I may penny about tie will be about tie cantaman to coat but he knew what your condition won't know
Asafu amwa degna mo sare mo amonu mo ire no nofo mo amodi manu abom mo ina mo sare babu ni siwanu fuanu ko bom asia eni ba ina sare mo paye na awrade mi akwa mo sare ba bi yare ebi adwuma sai o sare ahomache ba bom pan no wanu mo nofo nom nofo saba frede mo na kezi sapu kire Can you protect your own? They say Akasa, a radio Akasa Cherame, what do you for beneath our pump what the nation's one, or Yamitia said? Why wouldn't South Breno, what was in your contact? You may see after all. Why would you find one woman, one class on your contact in Siasoro? And Siasoro, when you couple to me at Jumavidia, Beniswa Shan and Goyo, and a Sutania Tena, Master, Lebre Akolobo Stondor Kanaka, Lebre Askatara Bastanda, Tonsramicano Tiaziankama.
Mo be a peja brother Yakopam. When you are here now, did too much die. Nana only me die. What was here in the name of Jesus? Jai now, man, assume the Emra. Jai now, crowd is so hidden. When you mix Ramna Promo, Nana Jana, what you do? Yes, God. Sia, original nation prophet one.
About 4 months, saying. When you coupon grada, when you coupon jatana, and a shemo, and with Jesus Christ, Nazareth, yes, Mojanso, and a encounter. Man, Jesus entered, appeared there. He just you won't fall into my God. You won't do whom don't so him. When I answer, also for their grand then I hope of many brutal one that's an rebel. A small tin was so far no chrome for honor. A full chrome for now and no timidity. A small chrome for better make up a senior prophet. Did I make up 40? But the prophet, what am I called scooter? What jump school filter? Don't matter what jump school filter. A poor. Nyansano ya fani fie na san be wuru fie nyansano ade so didi waru. That's right. Obia ni di waru am da bia no konkurase
na ko didi waruam ana tobi okumasia ne didi waruam yes fa unsa samusa na wahwe hwe nkwan won sam sofo wo hwe nkwan won sam sa ya emamnyansa enokure sankan waruam na wo hwe nkwan chia utia nkwan ne sew kwasia wo utirim na yi kwasia ne ya na ede obeba afade ya no ekọ afini doctors bibie no obiem yare abempo capitals B say capitals B etimi kwadia ene na won so yare aka nyina etwa no wo yesini mu yare abe na ekọ capitals B oh man what a bro man na tino nyame modidi didam no me yenya dwuma kwa me ni dam da asiam san me na nya bibia correct me hone so nya se banku anya twa bi atoso ana manim muamu ase hippopotamus asiakwa etini pa bi ahwe awurade hira wonye sasta ni bidja wonye sasta ni bidja se be mane fa no be tani be mane sa tani sa buanfu ni kira no te be mane su kri se sa zakra ye pompu ni bagwan no oh God.
Don't me catch the man says so banning you bit at the end of the oh, me catch.
Because I said, no smash and yana cavao. I can't look at your coupon, so I dream a couple of oh God.
Don't me catch the
one for the killer. Not a bad man be at also. And a minimum one was say hippopotamus. Asiakwa etini pa bia hwe traditional wonye sasta ni bidja wonye sasta ni bidja se be mane fa no be tani be mane sa tani sa buanfu ni kira no te be mane su kri se sa zakra ye pompu ni bagwan no oh God.
Don't me catch the man says so banning you bit at the end of the oh, me catch.
Because I said, no smash and yana cavao. I can't look at your coupon, so I dream a couple of about your betia. It's a no smash in the what can I say? What can I say? Nana kwame nyadi about when you said, then you tino when I know. Come on, Yamika Tonti, Yamika, the honest Samuel.
Chairman, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, brother.
How are you doing?
Very well.
How did you find the program?
It's a very interesting, and I'm very happy as a chairman. And this historic, I'm happy that I'm also involved. You know, the country cannot develop without education. So if the president and the MPP have made a manifesto that they are going to help the tertiary people for them to get loans, it means that Ghana is going to join the developed countries, you know. And he said you don't need a guarantor. What you need is a national ID card, you know, national ID card. This is the first time. And what perplexed me was that, you know, that he said after you are national service, you have 1 year long period before you start paying the loans. You know, it means that Ghana, we are moving as a country to developed country. And he also said that all the students or the workers, you know, who will get jobs, they will also going to assist them for them to get the money, you know, to rent houses and stuff. A lot of people are suffering, you know, from money to rent apartments. So if the government abroad has come to Ghana, so this is what
I totally disagree, because as a country, if we go by this provision of these three documents for a means of identification, we will end up disenfranchising most of our people. Mr. Speaker. And so for us,
is that we'll end up with what?
we'll end up with what? This franchise. This franchise. Honorable members, order. Honorable members, order. We will not this infrastructure.
You say we are forcing you to come and do this toilet. You people don't know what to do. And look at what you are coming to do.
They say the toilet is smelling, and
it's smelling. Is there any toilet which that don't smell?
So who's going to do that?
Is there any toilet in the world which that don't smell? Are you know that people? If you are saying you are doing the metro, why don't you come and do? Why don't you come and do the toilet? Why don't you repair the toilet for us? How many money have we given? I want you to come and repair the toilet.
Okay. Then we'll close it. At the right time, we'll come and do it.
If you close it, you know what will happen? No. If you close it, the people will definitely themselves here. They will sit around, and there's no toilet here.
Honorable Amin Salif.
I would like to thank the President, His Excellency, for the wonderful speech of the nation, of the State of the Nation address he has delivered on the 25th of the 2nd, 25th of February 2014. If you look at what was presented to us, it's very much reflected on what the situation of the nation is at the moment. If you look at in the side of education, the president made mention of any development nation that do not take education serious is not worth emulating. In that case, the president has made education a priority.
I believe you mean any developing nation.
Yeah.
All right.
The president, in so doing, the president has made education a priority in this country. For that matter, we have seen tremendous improvement in the last 4 years, if not 5 years, in this country. Taking my own constituency, for instance, before the inception of the NDC government, previously, we were having almost every community was virtually under school of trees. Almost every community was virtually under school of trees.
Ghana, they are no because new one, milk and honey, rather.
A better intercontinental and also within the continent.
Within the continent and intercontinental.
Hello, good morning, Mr. Sekou Nkrumah. Good morning, Mr. Sekou Nkrumah.
Good morning to you.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Are you on air?
I'm listening to you.
We had a communique. You use some communique concerning you are against subject your father in line with the Dr. Kofi Abufabusia. Your take on that?
I don't understand what you are saying.
Hello?
I don't understand what you are saying, so please try and explain it properly.
What I mean is, I understand yesterday we make some pronouncement at SYZ FM concerning that Dr. Kofi Abufabusia wasn't a visionary person. Hello?
Yes, I'm listening.
We want you to tell us more about Dr. Kofi Abufabusia. The vision.
I'm not too sure I understand what your question is, but if you are asking about what I said on Radio XYZ
concerning Dr. Kofi Abufabusia,
it was simply a comment on
the comment you made. The comment you made concerning Dr. Kofi Abufabusia. Yeah,
that he was a visionary.
Yeah,
and so on. And I'm saying that I don't see how Dr. Buzia or Professor Buzia can be visionary when he stood against the vision of
our first president, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Dr. Buzia took over the leadership of the UP after J.D. Dankwa.
Okay. But again, if someone may ask.
He had a vision of African unity, bringing Africans together so that our resources, we can all work to sustain our foreign interests that people like Dr. Buzia, which is totally unacceptable.
We thank you.
Hello, Honorable.
I'm fine, thank you.
Yes, sir. Can we go to our local or?
Who's local? Is it my language or your language?
My own language. Because of...
No, I cannot push you, unfortunately.
Okay, then let us push it small. Yeah, you are welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, we invited you on our program. Kindly, we want to ask you, current trend, which is always going on, that is agrochemical.
Yeah.
Yeah, the farmers are complaining bitterly. Day and day, the price is going up. So we want to find out from you as a deputy secretary minister, which I don't know which permission or which criteria that you have been putting in place so that all this thing can be minimized, so that the farmers will be very happy to do the farming. Yeah. Let's come to the fertilizers. Some of the farmers said if even the price is up, then if they get some in the stores to buy, I think they will not even worry. But for the fertilizer, it's not in the system, and they find it difficult to get the fertilizer to do in their farm.
I have to pay my workers.
You are not going.
Are you in the Gomwadi assembly? Yes. Are you in the Utu Senya? I'm asking for simple question. Answer me. Are you in the Utu Senya? No, I'm at Tonga East. So why the basis of your argument? Your arguments are four flat. No, boss. I'm from West Matam. Go back.
Ghana adisiye. Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo atin ediba AHENKAN933 FM.
Radio Papa. Thank you.
I work every day. So I want to party, So don't be lazy, darling, you must be happy. Enjoy the party, Cause the fun made each of you. As I see so Nadia inside, I fear the wind be ever. Into Yemene, go be a match in pressure. Into one part in a few.
All right, so 37 minutes into 7 a.m. Friday, 21st January 2022. A very good morning going out to you, Ken K, doing the listening all the way from Takoradi. Yeda Sibebre, Sanso so Ena, Baby and come out Kweku Kodia, see what ye all the way from Bawi. And no one crying. This is how we do it every Fridays. Breaking protocols. What is there? We part of Jennifer Brani and Kinkai 0594841044 0594841044. Yeah, back in Kani Nadia Mamo. Yeah, the Ubon Krata Mobosuano. Yeah, the Betuaso. Okay. Okay, I didn't say one crown what's in a fee, na yakochili yaba. Aha, etuntum rem fon so monye and swear. Na amentia fon so nye swear. But me say mo nyina mo promote mu kuro match, especially amentia. What touch ya wom?
Me pa.
Sa.
Say de bi ekodidwa o.
Gaga to ga.
De bi oba bu no kodidwa o.
Gaga to ga.
O de ato ne nsa so. Amentia.
De bi ekodidwa o no. Gaga to ga de so.
Gaga to ga do ye bibi won.
No a police inspector.
E wa mentia ho.
No fufu pa.
No be den fufu
pa.
Oh, okay.
On the boys ni free so boy ye na obeche wo.
E wa mentia ho no. Onu be di fufu no.
But you are onu be bibia so obeche wo. Hey.
I say no maku ni ntentemi.
Otumi so pechi pa na ohwe ni. Oh, na nyo na dam na to spare.
Why? Obeche wo.
Obeche wo.
We obeche wo.
Anu kwa di obeche wo. Ti na me bisa da police form so ba no no ana.
Oh, say yeah dwuma de am fam.
Body kra obechi wo. Hey,
na ko nya obi ebu akwaya de bone.
But research kakra me ma me hu ni say adebu on obi betumi aye. Ebe na dwuma o din na fosema na agudi ana. Ebe to nchen obechi no adwuma ni tu bechi no. But research am aye ni say
research minim say no wa kan.
Say gaga to ga dey say. Na bia me my poor barman and a ban critical be jam because of banity. But semi pace camano, me to damano, me ye bibia man, I don't know, me ye don't bet me. But hey man na, can you want me?
Hey, we are true. I didn't hear.
True.
True research research much me.
Na di obenye oba won ebini yi.
Enye bini scanner dan. Any mobile bob.
Research man. Is it obi se bibisa say books do send what throw.
Books me ntwe bi ba go for dia na ya.
Okay kai.
Me dem yan kakra ntini we bia na mja kuma publishers na ni ado no ma hwem.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, we are some.
Editors no ma edit. No kra o se be kwa dia abusa.
Oh yeah.
Opa ba ma obia.
Uko kro bia so ana bia wo kro bi na owo bi beto a owo bi ba kro no mu a. Ofa na damfo a.
Pe Obama no.
Pe Obama na no ano. Ya shi na num kro be yama.
Hey.
Na.
Eno nya warifo.
Ene mu ba.
Oy single dia Pe Obama no. Eno ano no. Oni ne be se ba fine form.
Opinya Pe Obama no asa. E kire din.
Opema ne keke no, onya ne hwi no. Nanim kra bu onum kra ohu da odna kasa ofon so keke. Eno nkwa no eno ano.
We are some dos.
Anti anna ma me bisa no pese ade ma motesen.
Rasia do.
O se ema ade.
Motesen.
Ye te sen.
Oyo ba motesen.
Sen.
Ede na umumu.
Ade. Enu nti den.
Enu no bisa o.
Na me ntia some question me ntia se o se ema ye te sen se de nti.
So bitimi no bi kasa ofon so keke.
Obisa de omumu nti a police ni kura mpokura no.
Otimi
o de bra be ye adwuma kura o kai ya no waja.
Se nyanko pon boy special. Enu nti na wo behu oba bi no oye no ho fechire no wo checha ya na eja no.
Aya mo cheche bi on.
Ebre cheche. Omo cha na tufu obo.
Oh, okay.
Ajisa wanka.
Oh, okay.
And sometimes who say yeah because nyankopon de bibia dua mam obu okro ohun da wo ohun wanim kra do wo voice keko but the go be yama on ojuru ho awon ti ase o say so your ba ti nyankopon ma your opportunities be bra kasa wo no be kra ho ye wa brand brand yourself.
Na say obi nso say open na wa anya ntuma na wo ye ne mobo.
Na mo yare. Sa afori nyina yare. Omu fie bebe ko na bia ne fie na na bia ni obi akwa apam say adwaman honhom no. Entinsi ma no so na we dia mama. Say what we ma me fanche.
Ya otimi su sa.
Oh so wo pay me ma mpene ntimi su. Ene na wo yare why?
Ohia mpaibo. Ohia mpaibo.
Ibo no ma okwa na otumi kata na.
Sa.
Onyankopon acha ma di o. Ye value.
Bra me pacho bra why? Pacho fambo ni cheme why?
Say o ka say bia me pene na na. Oh, any no mo yare.
Otumi ko tena ba bi suaa.
Say the auntie.
Say any ya.
Say.
Be ma na ho ye ne mobo.
Hey. What is our way alio?
Hwe.
Na so san.
And a research.
I want to modern kakra. Hey, research.
Yenti second research no.
Yeah.
Oh, hata koko na one ma. Ebe da want them.
Enti the crack.
Ah?
The crack is saying.
Crack is saying. And you got to what you say, o man e gine no. Unman ka ahwe fom. I said gine.
Say say me ti ni say ho.
Na say o say.
Anka abami.
Me papa pienti okofo koko free camp. Ebe gu apaswa. O sheda fa yemu ba ko na atena ho. Awia gba na odoso.
Some wa yi bi kra ho.
Na awontam se de bi okoton obenya sika. Abetutu na ma ofie.
Eti no kra.
Na ntia don mo no anjene na ebe da wontam.
Sese, hwanu no nti koku asam na wo kan na ba.
Example ade bia.
Oba. Ese o jine oba no.
Yay! Book research no. Eya omo ma scenarios keke. Omo nkyere se bi ase ana se sei.
Examples
ana. Examples no dey ma. And research no dey aba. Nti wa wutie bia no. Uta tie kwaku research nkwa dia, uni ma bi o keka ko.
Ti we ni san ke odon taban so dia. Eno no ye be chima nkasa mo.
We ya no pa.
We am ma chin taban.
Odon taban wa uni.
Marching tabai.
Yes.
Marching tabai de o my examples keke. Na fi ya chirichiri mu odon tabai so.
Ampa.
Aha. Say no ndu ba mo de mo headlines ba no. Say ya mo chirichiri mu 12 and 6.
Aha. Sa be pe. You headline when na Saturday uti odon tabai a. Nya details ne. So you see ni ye.
Kwasi say kusi ni nkwasi asem de. Oh dabi.
Research there. Cause when na eboa wo, eboa ma say o twempena eboa wo. O kware a eboa wo. O awalem na so face challenges bi a eboa wo.
Say nunu koko anim.
Na enye se wunum keke wu. Utwi ho.
Wontem
ye twi koko no.
Ade na ehwa pete.
Say bo so ye yiyim.
Na utwi ho na wuyim. Ne enya na wuyi frim. Se be ya ubenya ne ye no.
Yes.
So ase.
Ewia no bo a ebe bom ye.
Erade. Ebi mususo yan ti emisu. Se de mu ke.
Ala koko nsuso ya ye kan susu. Koko bag ba ko 6.6.
Atuntumle me church koko. Nanga. Enye ona na.
O de asam be shanana.
Koko bag ba ko 6.6. Enti ye tire koko ho adwuma wo so man krofo tie. Twi ho. Koko ne ho.
Hey. Yo, research ni de mu ode.
Twi ho na koko na tumi awo yie.
Eboa. Enti na kwa so bia.
Uchia na mu atumi awo yie. Hey.
Na wantwi ho enwo.
Oh, okay.
Wantwi ho enwo.
Na we say.
Wantwi ho na ye onse nsuo no wo ho. Tie so wantwi ho ya.
Kodi pe. We not just I critical.
Open chechiri mu na ja o chreche kakra.
Tutu ho na wo sana no yi bi na bom na o de tu anu ma de.
We ase kusi.
So anya ni dom de chocolate ni kan kan.
Milo ne de kan. This way na no anom de.
Milo ba ko no na. The ice pine.
Dabi. Yeah, kan original Milo agaza. Milo we dey so no. Ye di mi ha no.
Research there.
Research there. Anya bia na wotwe bia wo se unya research ba ko a wo de be bo ho.
Ah, o de be nante.
Research ba ko a mi say ye ho adwuma.
Ana okay.
Tremanen kan.
Say yesi eduru ba bia. Sentokwa na ekoso na eduru ba bia. Afi wo say yesi be man create mi kan kwase asem bebre. De be na ye man keka sa ansem no.
Big question.
So I say Oduru peak ho no a.
After Matia.
Who say COVID-19 eduru peak. Eduru peak no. Anche ene enya new variant na ba ye no. Ha. Enti ye bisa say de enti na oduru sa peak ho no a. Utumi ka say wo de dan be che, wo de we be ma, wo de
sign check am.
Ti na me say Nyankopon aboy man special no. when you are hu but oye wi a ire be fit aba
I was oba oko no
nti no so no wi atumi jo so no
we na jo so
oh da bi
say no for me
da bi
wa unim say adwuma na
yes yemfa sunsum ade enkokot
enye
da bi nti ano de sunsum fo ne betimi adi
adio
kwaku mo fa ya mo wura mu a da ja yenku ye nim
anopa no so abopon minute aduana nkron 7:49 adeshimamba yamamachi mama kwa babiem de ba ahenkan 93.3 FM so ya dem live our YouTube and a Facebook search ahenkan 93.3 FM ne di achi for comment to or like page no na YouTube no so subscribe afia beka cho say ade kokobia ede ene eyefiada enkrata badwa so ene munsem ene yesi adwa ya boabo yon free kodwa pa newsroom yeti akuafra koma studio ya be wo so nitini ti uko dwuma na okotokra tan bi na watum ntina akasa the Andrew ni the Ghanaian publisher the Obokra Taden Sma Bano paper edika mensanifa esrutokru mu wonom top right corner ana ohimpo bi abo esemtwofo wo mu ye adwuma o radio ada wa bo mo kokko nanso enkofo bi koto hye adwumafo wo sa radio ada no wom koto hye omo so ama ya asem kase ana nana babo nten se wom se obo mo kokko owone wom so mo nhwe yi na emmom sa tuna nkofo koto hye wom so no onim ho hwe na ono kura kasetia se nkofo kokko yesa no ma anya de ehonsem na na sini trazo wa ha watutu ne ntoma afefefe the Ghanaian publisher the Obokrata ene kasa asemwi sanso ana MPP amonyoko no ne nkrabata ya ewo Asante Mantemu ana womo MPP ni efe no wura dwonkuma womo bo na baso pa se womo atena ya foforo kura wa babesi no efe pa ya ba efodie ti womo bo na baso pa se wa ya de ewo sa de na wa babe no Omampani His Excellency Dr. Williams Kwakwado Dankwa Kufuado ene wahye suit ana wabotai ene wagini tichi o smile na sedi osre no ena asema matwa to ne nchene se Omampani na nado ka wa Ghanaian publisher mu se Ghana yisika sem no ekoye pa enkobone ekoye papa endo da Ghana ya ti asempa eka tuna bro nanka apieti kwakwosa bogosu kro nankasa amakuri na ebutu ene se ejamframa ka enam ne baabi ana obi abetwintwan nem abobo ya bia betwintwan nem ntimu eba no ti oji abobo ya ni nkwa ana kunkron ete graw ko he apienti no eben bogosu apieti kro no mu nada yase omo eka omo ye nkwada omo ko school ana omo ko afuom omo pe ne kai ti wodi bia wo duty na se wi wa nkwa adwuma na ofedi a otiate endoda yani obi kasa o kasa so endro free apenti o se wo ma sie nipa aduasa amunum wona beye oha ene akire nso wo ma wu a yehu omo ebi atete ebi ayira ebi afra hwea de awrawo semesi na no odin pa na no nam so ma aso ye wonom hwe ensase dwumadie so Lands Ministry womo afrase eye hwehwemu ewa endoda awrawo samesi ewa apenti bugoso no Ghanaian publisher the Obokrata
Daily Graphic the Obokrata no and ya de to so ma wa na anapay na endra da sama awrahosam esi ye no ya twamfoni na toa na chese eho nyina ya skate ya pieti wonom no eho nyina ya skate awrahosam enipa ekwohyehyehye fom enipa tetefra anwea no awraho papa krata ede wonsam aba kire se enipa awuo no enyasem ketwa na we no yase empanifo abemu mpanifo president Ghana man pani dada John Dramani Mahama tise empanifo a ani ade wonom nsam omare ho nsam ama abusua na enyasem ketwa krata ede aba na enche hanum aswa pete ha papa Mr. White no Ghana photosanfo kanoforiata wasum na no na no wasum na washatade fita no wasum na no asamo akanya sa 11 hwe omo visa bebroskoto yembroskoto ne nembroskoto ne china ya de ba letters no afa na 11 mu letters omo de banti wonum egusu esi nkunya omo te nkunya so etwato adwene ekeka adwen abubom na kwan ho do mbefa so a 11 na parliament ba approve no won be hwa ya na sa na aboa e mo man Ghana sikasam so fanto ma papa from de omunim say 11 no ene be mo man Ghana sikasam agina abrane
ena no be ne ketiana
11 na so we na
be say flexible na the openness no ompenness the ompenness no
enye
na we so say kwan be fa so bia na so ombetimi ensa fa echi ana
na se ko yiska no kwa de bete o sene kwa de bete
approve an mpo na America no
parliament bia no enye afa na ntokwa na ebehu akese
Levi no information menya no beja tum
afa do beja tum o man jantum kra be ntokwa nkofo na nya so mbeye no omo mpene so no omo approve
on beja tum but the omo ye ne say because of 11 inti no omo ka kire MTN for so omo so charges no omo nte so 25%.
Ama mate so about 25%.
Omo so omo di nkomo about it. Nti omo wi a. But MTN phone so already no kra no omo to omo charges mu by 50%.
Share na credit any band.
Just say 10 cedi credit kra the MTN phone any kokokoko. O to na wo de ye ko na e ko hwem e ba ko. Me ti ase.
Me si andra me to bundle egu me phone so. Ebo enumre no woche na bando no ko tie
o to ntambe
me to na numre na around 3 o'clock nim ebo 10 cedis ebo enumre no wache na sika na hye ema ndra mi ampa ma WhatsApp anya hwe na me de manim hancho da na de achi mi
ka de 10 cedis so to ya we e call ba ku mienu
oh anya fine
serious o
serious dodo
mi bisa se
networks and sana
networks omo to credit no 3 cedi 2 cedi ne 1 cedi ne 5 cedis no so because 10 cedis so ye call 1 2 3 asa
abandon no credit minimum call fast
one cedi credit no credit na undumi nya call bia o
dabi
hey
sisi ade ayadin ayadwe na daily graphic mi guso aginam ya se Ghana say ya take over Ameri plant ya take over ehun sam edaha na nanu ada boxing boy call so ewo mamobi ni mafo ntem no aposifo se kwan bi eso mo fa so sasase asekra da eso mo wura ensuom na eso mo wura ekwochi nkofo o di akotin wasa wuru kasem no mo be cheche wo mo nyina na mra no ene wo madi truth and accuracy every day daily graphic double kratan
Civil and Local Government Staff Association of Ghana etwanetiafeno Grossack Wamakasa ewo the daily statement the Obokra Temano pay a form Tokromo down right corner asoma mo kan say womo yeso mo ko strike na strike no mgusu na no womo za fidie ewo so mutwaso ti Grossack for so mutwaso ewon sem krate e dia ba the daily statement kro ya egba mane ena ode oso for hwe Ghana esikasem so nimnyafo kenoforiata emfoni abeto anu musei na asema papa kan na ne say Ghana ye 2022 budget afiwe budget tomko kenkan ya 11 kopie mu nna ne ade no o say homu chichemu aduonu 20% abane be chichem na ode atete tinyoma bi so ewon sem krate yi ade aba na bogos asem no krate zo ade ho asem aba ojini dimpa the daily statement kro ya agba amane wo fom ya say omampani nanado ene abemfo mienu bi ahia yetwamfoni abata ho na asema nipa ankase miensan kan na ne se womu sori anopa twitwi omosin dware ohuro manim bobɔ powder shentade si montina omakoma so ade ni na ne se Ghana sikasem ebegina ne naso na anyi from omampani ena kasa asem wi ekire akukuda mienu bi the daily statement the obokrata
Mede the chronicle the obokrata no etwo so na asene ye beba big picture no so no yan hwenchen se echen ni se no endra da rahosam wasi e bogo so no ehosam da na asase no se ne afuntum no chance ye kwadua bayere wo so enya asam ketwa asen nyamapa krata dia ba yamra se ha se sanso ena 11 no yase aban no se watetete ne ka obebo so wateso watetete ne ma so se ne be ya ye betimi apase 11 no afa yamra ase adosho boy asam a wokan ya akusi e kan ye asa apie ha o se 2022 dia wo mu ba mo mani akọ nyoma bi ho tas nketenkete ajeji wo man ni mu no eto nketenkete ajeji wo man ni mu no eboa pa eboa mo man no fa ne ntoma papa frɛ tika so eno ntia ne 2022 dia nyire ye ho nyire ye kom eto nketenkete dia do da pure water so da hwan so no ni nyina wo metete ni nyina na aboa e mo man no afa ntoma papa fra fe big picture na da no Enfoni kakraka da ha se de nyasam keto abaya so no kama wase na tade red na krata rehosam ode aba ne se ebusua no ebo Komfo Anochi Teaching Hospital for so bo se wonu me hwe hanti abaya kama ya wuo hwe na anu ada de akwaso akwatia se akwala atwufusi henia bia ya akwala ne ye kwa akwayi henia yakwa wa akwala ne panie se etwo ena ne nsa nyina start se epro yakwa kan ya omo se twa afeche wensunsu so maame panimu onya akwada mpo wanyi kura mi jiri so aso aware kura picture da enya akwada picture yesi hwe nurse fo no WhatsApp ene skirt nketenkete atata o masen ebinom nyom nyina ebinom soro nyame papa ananse fo ne doctor fo ebi soro nyame o omu so bi yare no mu yam di ombram na fe omu keka ne omabom se ne be nipa ne benya nkwa na ebi mu de amfita duku no omu so omu no muton ti no omu be ko na ebobom no mu phone ya tata WhatsApp o kasa antennas nwa wo mfiu ye enti Komfo Anochi Teaching Hospital wempo ya so e pregnant o pemfo na wo hwe oba ogina onya oba aketwa oba kama pemfo ma hwa ya nhwe ha e ma na nipa na wunti abusua no so bo eye Komfo Anochi Teaching Hospital for so bo eya arewo sam a wo se Ghana ase mpanifo hwe no mka ebi wonu ma nipa no wanwu mia mabusua ni bi akwara ketekete ya de ne ko hospital bi won kran akwada ni nro akwada ketekete be 5 years o enro mo tworo ma akwala no ewi eche na akwala no wa firim na obi doctor bi ba no busa se akwala 5 years na enro we no onom tini wa wi wahu yes that time no obi anya kamafo obi ani omankwa akwotwe ebu onu mo chese omo pay attention o omo tworo no rough by heart omo ndwiri ni pam apomode ho no nipa na awukwa ti na ade na ya me ebi ato me pen ti eba ne se ya na ya me japa se ye nhwe ha ti mi manipa efrata se fasa se so ti na adoctor for no ebinum omunya hwe yiye na ban so sore the chronicle da ubo kratan
the new weekend crusading guide yeko weekends inti me fa samba ko pe wom dia kani na yabobo bi so dada bogo so nsem ne ayemfo nsem ne de keka ho na foforo akra wom ne se adan asem yai adan radio ankofo koto hye nsem twofo so ohoyi ya enkrofo ya bi wo hono mu eno na nanan mo atrankonya wo adan ne mpatem atiema fra post for se de won be ye wo radio station nkofo na beto hye wo so no enmanum ye mo fom nansi fom na omuntintim mawre omuna kokromoti na za achidieti no womuntintim ti se de mu twa tete na enwemu esefata doko bia no womunye emasom dwemra na nipa kura osomaye ana de ntia wombeto hyensem twofo so abromu yadwuma no omunya no the new weekend crusading guide the rubokrata
Ghanaian Times the rubokrata no GT the rubokrata no ena medeto so dia ma na pe kuafra koma studios ne tie Maakye dwumedie so na tie Telco so no say MTN no say Tigo say hwan yo Vodafone no say almost sisi omo akonkunyasie wonu behwe na afi wonum ate omo charges so 25% na abie kwan ato kakra ma 11 so afamu aba tino 25% no mote so no omo bie kwan te se ne ye de bregu fama Yesu Kristo nante so baaye no omo so ede to ho na 11 nante so aba tikrata insam emisa fofora wode baaye no ni ewu adan de da ha ena bogoso so de da ha ti foforo ya apiemu ena mede abeto ejado Ghanaian Times the rubokrata
dem de to so the inquisitor anya nkwe The inquisitor da obokrata no abamane said the uraken of Furiata no. Also motion mu say 11 on some no sound the parliamenta and pen for ebedia tum. And when some the craty monopay. The inquisitor croya abamane church for penny adema New Patriotic Party NP Pamunyukunu. Ora John Bodu. Yes, Ora John Bodu Unsradi. Onwa ojan pintin. Ono so a. Te say oya natural. Ya bona basu sa keke. Eda krate mu eno no so ene de ena osri fefe fentutum se ne gye nko a the inquisitor de wonsem aba no pei na dem di twa to ni metiasim awo agokansi na no ada Ghana
wana da as wo free jato as a broni
na kochilo ise nya obi grandpa
so no so o grandpa
so obi grandpa o
grandpa na so o grandpa
ko fonin.
Oh, yeah, great. Hey.
Why?
Why should you penny?
Coach Milo.
Or 67.
67.
I want to know what go
Or 67.
On your bed and 20.
67 years. What go, but name club because 80 years. And I do my day.
W. Ocean history. Coaching yana Juma. Because the coaching history, no. Ebu ho a okokochi 2 months penny apamono. 3 months penny apamono. Ne wache cry 5 months. Baby oba beche Ghana.
Ya fuo.
Fufule. Ghana ne ya obeche. Because baby obeko bia okoha ne apamono.
Yes, also
oko bia nso apamono.
Also wonko na.
Oh, me to say omobe pamono.
Yes, also wonko.
Hwe onko hana be.
Na ni mu say.
Now, Coach Milo, over first one corner by second one, audio be about 70 brofun.
Debbie,
second one audio be by.
First one, all born in a container by.
Sir,
you are somebody one in a container.
But then, anytime be a moon, be a no one casa na casa 101.
Oh, Debbie. First one,
I go away on any buy.
Not contano.
Na ti wo hwe ye but Ghana ha no ye pedi for no mo ye
bani na
ye pedi for no ayo mo da sumya so de
ni na me di na do ho yawo
ye ready
di na do ho yawo pa sen say na do dan kwakufu ado Ghana man pani atumi aka ni pain say
ompe
broni coach e wona mamu mu na ban say na
wakofa obroni ama
obroni
antumi antu ntesio ama papea
mo sorry obi nte brofo na mo sere twetwetwe hwe onu ante broni ante brofo obi na kire mu kire no mo zare pa empenifo na ebi no madwe nche da mo na
eno ye school na ye show yi ni atamu skawe na koma Coach Milo
dabi mimi sikana wo mu no kra nya me issue o because as we speak you know sa $25 million I de ma wo mo no omo mfa nsesa ma wo omo mfa mra mu bie mu
boy adano de omo se komo qualify de be mo mi sa sika
30,000
ninji di crisis sika ne beba
and I can say sa sika na wo mu nyina emma
yes
but mimi issue ne say ye Ghana Blaster na wo ho no yare I was say ye gu no
yes
na ye share from the scratch oko football for no ho no mo a and ye bedi nkomo de afa ho kakra ye wo juvenile football wo ho nkwala no mo friend code football ne keka ho no e wo so mo adwene ne o mani ko ho na o mo training o mo de o mo free ho so o mo training o mo de free ho mo akwa kuti hai kwa ku be yansam twa adwuma ya be 70 years no guso ye but kokofa obi a obetena microphone achi a ono amu kura wa bra nsa na ubie mic na mano a enche mo nso afedi off what I say enti o pick o mo from the scratch na what train you one Daniel Abanga was one bi almost almost fan from the scratch and on my training na hwe ball or so football ni mu ahwe said ball no enti Ghana Blaster na frefre kobo
e bedru so a
sisi asai frefre kobo 2 almost sign no
amanyosem wom
uyi amanyosem ni fi wono mu a meme na me yet say be a GFA president a me wo agency a me de players ba nti won so de kakra ba no we de kakra ba
we ye ni hwe
nti coach ni kra ye ma ne kwa ma ne ye na adwuma
dabi se no nti no lele approve wala koto se wala god on coach ni
on no obenya benefit fi ho
obi obenya ti no kwa approve no
percentage ni ya mo de chin bia
percentage no nti until say ye beti asese ye build ye team no for some years no yet hu ya enko ba bia
na was one beji you AFCON no
ni na chom sanya kudo tumi ka som beji World Cup
o kasa te say de Ghana ye ne dia no Milo no kasa te say de Ghana
na say Ghana ye ne dia o anamuni enye ne dia anka mo so mo mpeso ye de naba
e wo se de oni penifo ni ntamtie we research be chiro se
na Nyankopon pese ogu nani mu asenti na omo de ne ba ya ye kan yo mantie ni ene ne asie yi te so mani magu ase omani magu ase poto
papa umayi de friso hwenanim asa na ade ayira wo ayi mokolajo
be hwe Ghana
makolajo
na ade ayira wo be hwe Ghana
enti similo se dey
e wo so mo mani bre
ayi ntona ye ko AFCON ko di ye no aye ko we ye no eno na Ghana Football Association President GFA Oraket Okreku
Babaka sa sa papa no so sa ni di na create
ket
dai
ket
we
KURT
dem fe create ko sia create
ket Babaka
sa papa no so onya studio onya study pa
oni coach Milo amwa se ba fan form
ono so problem
enu ti na Milo ya pam no ko ba tumi nya kudu aka se menko
unse
so one no ya kan se rapport
time Anas ekoko fast I expose yi ba nyina na me kan say
kwasi
Anas no mum ye hwe ni
yie mra
because on pe Ghana yie
yesuro ni je mfitem pa Anas no
kwasi nya ntachi anye bia ne time 2010 World Cup or the call finals
obi anso kan na 2010 den na wo
2010 no I don't know
Milo so say 2010
yeah best performance no
and munji ni say no your players na
asa no
and America no players no free him fa you look at the history of sa players na ye do am call 2010 no yet ti wo mo sa bre no dey da you ono mo bo under 21 hwan no sa nkwala ne de no ansa na who graduate from eho ne ye do aba ha bisa won se si ya akra no sa divisions ni na e wo ho under 17 years under 19 years hwan no nka obo free ho na nka wa graduate no aba dey you sa process na no fair mu but say Ghana player pa obroni fita yeso e Ghana ni obroni fita yeso e Ghana ni
fafra kobo
na ayi mu nso so etititi mpotem ha bobo
manfra
wa here small boy ya now she number 7 small boy Ghana ni
ena coach Milo so kra no mi hu ni say na yi so wo yi obi afrim di obi abehwem na ase amfa
na ne ya kan say nyoma akukọ kokoso nti oni wan go yi ni frim
sa
na are you brothers or are you uncle
the guy you are bobo
na bre na still am bobo
wa bobo ma tum sa ko ya bre na nim hantwo
last time omo ye stakeholders
I see
omo che fan wo mu nti yi fi menye ye nti de bia nim guase ya na ye beje nti until say ye beti ase say Ghana Blaster na nye papa eni nti ye nhya ase na ye mbonwure nkurase na ye nyai sa agency no omo di players e ba no
enti bo we ye nya player bia owo bia kutu
kofo nimbo
ana bia owo kwa bibrem FC susubiribi FC ti o de anka team say
susubiribi e be boa wo
bako na ye ntu cause omo no we say no mo chance cause a big opportunity
say ono no o ton
e do or die but the day you money we no money am de no muti am
say
bi brabo national hwan
omo ya omo de omo fi abrochire de ba no ogba osuro ne nan because ogbo team papa etua ne kachen
o be ku ne ho ma
nti on say dan ku ne
why Thomas Partey say
o fa obi from kai bibrem
you know from local players ana
onu huru no say we need a biggest platform
me sale me ho na do or die
obi kunu ho dia matim
yes
o kwa sisa sikafo ma no
no anya ne sika wi atoto ne private hwan jet
me media me ye nkugu a ye di ye ne enguase aba ni nyina eso esobo no omampani akufa na media me de ma no
papa no
because e shase enkofo shase kan anka be frankofo ekura you have the power to appoint and disappoint and if one kasa one make order order ne say o de won so white player white coach so na nkwala yi omo hoyi omo nyina na appoint wom na mo twe wo papa panimu ya no awofom a untumi mfra wo mo nka ntom se masa me instructions nie ko Nigeria ko hwe omo nyina they agreed say they won't go for any white coach look at the performance in Nigeria for almost
Sro.
I don't high.
Yeah, Ghana ni coach Ukraine yentu yanika.
There was no definition of niggerness.
Hey.
I don't hear recidivism.
Hey. Define that.
And you are Charuskoro.
Recidivism. Recidivism. Define that as saying.
Define that na yedi church okra na mobile money transaction say 2021 kwano hit 953.2 billion Ghana cedis. Not just anya asam ketu. Hey.
What they call dollars mo na just sika. Say enu na omo hunu say sika e fa ho.
Pa.
Enti sika e fa ho dey. Because 2021 kwa sika e fa mobile money free me ho na ba wo ho nso di free ha security or system nimu enkwa na nam $198 billion. Billion. Oh. We are talking about $1 billion. Into the basi di mudia and Kufu say, hey, I don't know how to say it in pay.
Hey, to your mom is a boyfriend break about that.
Ah, but TV
Martin simple dikra.
It's 11 year.
What am Muntin why?
Yeah, then 11 year.
Muntin dina munku.
Ebeba so. 11.
We are there betua.
Oh yeah. I know the done deal.
Yo, you betua nya
developing country pa omanya afena.
When country did they
64 years.
What was am the for can say developing country.
Yeah, to Dubai 50 years. Hey, as ya mobra.
Oh, ba all the Ghana to be mu ho ya.
Dubai na America.
Mama, ya mamu fa yen compare. Mu yanso yanhwe ya brabo Ghana.
Na so mu na fiade bia ye tu kwan kwaje ani.
Anya hono mpo me ya America say Africa no. African countries ni nyina anya papa.
Oh.
That's all. Yeah, see Africa baby.
Ebiri mo bom modern.
Oh, me dey jaye nyina anya.
Oko ayi.
Empanifo ni nyina anya. Madwe ya baako.
Oko Rwanda. Ah. Rwanda usuro se wode pure water. Ebeto FM. Rwanda kura se current me for pure water to FM. Eye nipa o. Ene de samra ne ba ene nipa ti ase so mo be di so. But ye Ghana hey is the same.
Ghana anu say obi ye nwura ofia no aso akogu main lobby station. Tiwa nipa bi say.
Etu de unim. Ye na ye ka say e de benti na wo ye ball a wo ko so ade kokogu main lobby station. Enti sa na tie de mra e ba hweho. Ye de mra e ba. Wo so ball ano ne ye chew. Ye de mra ne be diwu. And then when they be kuyen, it's you say, yeah, Ghana, how you want
it? I'm running beyond one. See your boy. Sa Amreya who can say, ball lay a good that the mraba. Nipano, yeah, penny for no, we am rana, ye who action. My young who nipa ready with Yago ya chino, ya chino, Quabranino, but Oba was half a money yajuma,
but Shadio. Yeah, Ghana hana e wono
ya kasa omo kasa bo mo hwene kra no a emra ne ya adwuma
Ghana hano
ya adwuma samra na anya adwuma ye ni so Ghana ha ye be kwa koto bola na gu ho
Ghana hana e wono
but force ya
Ghana hano we call for what we can't stand mo bie pro na to ho bie pro de nka wo senka by 10 ya tum ya to punu mu by 10 so a and you see if
you some ni nyina de ye hia wo na wa hye wo mra no say ball lion tu mu ha no make sure say some na wa ka no de be ya adwuma
ni o hye mra no so ye nipa o
ni o hye mra no ye nipa nti
enti oti onya hyase te say
me
ba o
se ne na wonya wadwe so be hye mra
onya hyase te say enkrofo enkrofo ball mo hwene ye o ye nipa
da bi ene ne nipa kro no say police fu a say ya hwanfo mo nya o ma dwe so be hye bola nipa de bola kogu ho wo se wo do wa tworo wo mra mu se odan main station ya fa bola ngu ho ezum lion fo ebuso mo amakoyi afiri ho amakoyi ti se wa go modi ye fo no amakom ayi police fo agina ho ne ya chichi nipa ya na nipa ko no watena ma bone
obi antumi fa nko biem
obi antumi fa nko but embenifo no mo hyemra no a
omo enforce
to office wa hyemra na bia wo te office enye adwuma ti wono abone hwena a odibo but se wo enforce ade no a na wa hu se na ninu akoto bola ni bia guo ya kye no next time won this house hu ni bia enti ebebo ni hu but ye mpanifo no mo ma hyemra no mo kura no mra no mo ni so wahu omunni so na omu enforce wo de se wunni so kwa no enforce make sure se mra no eye adwuma omo ncheke bakwa no mu sisi office na fine ebo am say pa
when now your research be more simple examples simple examples o de to no ampia enko we shamna no na wan force a enya adwuma
ready research e be wom o de to no na
no ampia enko o de dadoa esi tables no afa hama mboso a ebetumi awram enti wo so abola kogu main love station na wo shamna se mo obi amfa mma na emna no wan force a nipa o
won be ye
ano adwe da no so no nya wo omna no kwase no rafi Tiesa wo kana bria sanka no NCC Ganzi de Ghana
na NCC for
every 24/7 ya ji omso modewru de bia no modewru
ya ben for no omsam na no nyom so
na wa chi obi no wa tuna so na ye mfanto ho ama obi anya za
ipa no wo bo ne hwene no se adenti na modi ade na begu ho wo de chi obi na kire ne se wo na hyemra no so obebo hwene obokro obo ne de ana obo kire want obebo ne de tino ya mpanifo na ngasa no omo hyemra no a enwo mo sisi ho sa usi won so ane ye be twwa da pa uso a ye be ye no ati wakoma hwe obo kan da na ye kan no omo sa de bola no ko ti wuti wone ye sa bo din se zoom lion fu e ye de bola na gogo na wakoma ti uso nye ho hwe
na unim bibi e hono mo da de no omo se na omo ni mpanifo be hia na omo se mo akwantum kakra zoom lion pani ba kwam ne kasa ntom so mo ba omo ni mpanifo
no ka kire se Saturday no
enti sra na ye srese emra no aye frese ye mfanya adwuma no ye de mra na ye adwuma ye nyina beti ase because enipa ye nipa
sure
wo de mra beba wo de mra na ye adwuma no unya te ensemsem bi fa mra no ho a wo ye nipa wabam betimi abu wo ye nipa
wanene no wanimre
mi ba wu
wanimre so ba yamra
unya te se ye demo pa
anya Ghana nti na Ghana so nye ye biem da no
waba mutimi bu wo ye nipa
se president Kufuor so obaji ni levy si anyina ya se yampere was wo obaji yentua
ye betua
entu identity
no yes
afi ye uchu mu so wo service wo tennis school wani bia na beka se me scan me sane da me de bekwa akoma no
if you can
na na adwunu mu post wo beje no wo beje
onim de open
yes ya pene so wo beje ya
o se set agendas se bolei mo ye dan machi obi wo ho because me pese me ma hunidie ba ho ye set sa agenda no na na do nim de open free 11 mu tin na ni abre no
tin wo o makwa sa de ababie mu enti utimi se bibi wo ntino asemo ya ka bado monte ashada pa ya twa mo omo se da obaje
na da do no de 20 abona no
oze
o de 20 abona no
so na o tabu o de twa no se
na wa mo so a
wa mpia nkotomu
a upia no ekoye bibi agenda ekoka bibi asiani ama na so
ene ye de ba na beba ni se na de beba
adado anso ni nyi ba
o de asema ba
dado anso e de ade ebo so amana wu ayi mu keke no
wo kan nyina ye nyi nsan
sa na afi wo so wa shase a research no wa ye student
I interested say ade akra
oh sia interpretation of research oh I see okay enti ma me na mo seneja ye ntoa so mfem free ha no mo me gidi so betene wo nam naja wa chia ne yakọ ana
minchia
onchia ne won Yeah, the radius. Na kwa kunso ya mentiafo.
Mechia tifo.
Nyame yadomo next year ye ko to assembly members about for ye de wuko ye de wuko mentia. Amentia assemblyman.
Me nya time nya checkups.
Na amentia we tina moto so as we do ho.
Amentia here.
Ofanse kwan nye.
Amentia so
ube any odan me say dey.
Na so uko for assembly no na mu be duru kakra. Kasa mu beti. Uko assembly ho no mo a.
Na dan na me de be checkups.
Anya moto.
So the only moto.
E kwa 50 ayi odan 2 ayi odan skokura no wani ma kumo we.
Sa upeni ya obre.
Menko.
Sa.
Omo ye kwan na. Etimu ni o e kwan fun no. Anoma bia
wan onko kan ye nye no.
Ayi de yen no.
E kwan no. Wan onko kan ye nye.
Anya assembly members ne.
Anything say e was on so kokko pe bi na.
Me bia mo e kwa me kan. Me wasante achim south. Na ya achima sani brim central. Ti me ka kra mfo mu mfi mi.
Obasa wo kan ebuka wura ho.
Ebetumi ebuka wura ho. Even enam so kra metumi ehunhu mpanimfo bi.
Je na assembly no.
But akwakwa e wo fro se no. Ghana e mo ade wo fro na wan yire ho a.
Ena da bu
research. Be ka jo se. Wo da bi research be ka jo se. Se wunya no foforo na wanya da jama na nkrokro na mfrefre na. Ebeti akọ be fru nsa simple.
Then no so ba no. Wose ne pe ne wa ma wani anko ne ho wa ma ne ka
research no ya o example on point junior assembly member no fro na wa ma oni anko fom anye ayi 24/7 de bia oni grounds ne ade a ya tu bi me ya ntoma
o ba sa de fa ho na sa wo de wi a timi di moto
obeko o ende ngametumi awo ngametumi akwa ba
nti ye do obeko
ba kwa na omo ye dia
ya do obeko pa na ye de yi so ko ayi of friends nsam chofo wa ha nyino bia nkodi assembly member woni krom nti ye de maami so beko ye de ni kotu ayi o petuntumre mu ana o pe ha
nke committee nyampon ko assembly meeting nke nyampon nti mechi ajoko nte ajoko nte
udi krom wa de din gaga to Ghana ye me
gaga to ga ngangao
ajoko nte okay nti afia wodwe ho etuntumrem ne abenase de open no
abenase futu nde
ma dwene kura mpo ni wo obo bia ma dwene nam no atusu adwe
atusu assembly woman
atusko na unim sa atusu na anya krokitwa o anya atusu onko pra krom ka ho sawanse nyina ka ho
am just pra krom ne nko ani kro ono nko adene
dabi ho nyina ka ho abesi asawanse se eche na de na
so anya wo tina kwaku mo
tina so ya ka dabi
etre bia ye say job day ground
ya be ka wa ha ya be ko ground ya be ka
za
no mo kra mo amusisu se dom so ba ko twice kra de adwuma na yo mani su se wa dodge obu hwe
I see ye de agent so ko
anya so be ko kwawu
ye de agent ko ayi
won amana bi o
ye de agent ko
jaha fire inside and oh ye jadem jaha
and the
jaha na sa ko menti asia no ma be
katie katie
okay
asa kire no se dwaha
asa udwana
baby
dwana wa mu no dwaniti no mu dwana basa ni mu
enti ne katie assembly member
dwam
if you want man ne ko MP
dwam
ye ni bri abre no
okoto opon
ne wo kwan ko
ade opon kroma nyo obi ni wono no bae
obi wono mo no bae
ti say dey nso ye sa na
ya be no trotro sound obre pants oje
emnya ntim fa ho eje be go through that situation all right nti mama na mase na yentoa yenkomo twetwe no so wo akire ho no mo me da see bebre 27 minutes into 8 a.m. live on AHENKAN933.3 FM nti yen first conversation no ebefa Ghana National Council of Private Schools omo kire se semester calendar no e dia ba no omo kire se enya de omo ebe so esa nti yebe kwa homa ne so ne ye ne kasamafo de ma Ghana National Council of Private Schools akotwetwe nkomo owura Samuel J Nyameche yewra wote yen kan FM so nie ya mo achen umpo mboko
Major Sumia Manyamina Dome, and then so they are changing.
Ever since Ghana Education Service here now, you see what they academic calendar for a day by private schools. Or my engagement.
Opening and opening my main fast up when you're so now, when they were people in na none of them, I'm come to school for by phone. A year Ghana Education Service, academic calendar, or what they buy. The US and Namitia, one, Namaka engagement here and also star, a far dancing. Name, you know, more Catibum, Brano. No mudim for the money say, and never be one of also away in Suku, or by more. They support if you are more ma, the check at the moment. Almost also no any idea, the time you think. Now, a far this semester calendar, I mean the academic calendar, what they buy in here. You need once in here.
Oh, really? But sir, Monso, Denyara. We are stakeholders. Inti munim ho asemi eno na emu ye na kakra. Is it that
no question me say. The question me say. No question is stakeholders. Now, listening to Honorable Nochu, who is a ranking member on Parliamentary Select Committee of Education, our Parliament. No crown poma some of Mokan say. Omu ankasa GS. Any Oman Nakasa CBA and son of Moses answer by. There were teacher unions that would draw a war of my Amusa Samodia Babon say, a year the Ghana Education Service. This semester calendar or the buy. There was no proper consultation. A course and son of Modi Eba. Now, about Ghana Hanoma, a year private education sector, any the public education sector. No question say you share Regulatory Bodies Act, a year Act 1023, 2020. A buying a dear bar, a fat and woman's young or my one. You better say, yes, I want it dear oye. And a private schools and so I want it dear oye. Many workers is here. Yeah, the year when you say on a trimester base, you know, your corner star, a bit me a boy and more fun. Yes, and so when you say, on a semester base, on also quantita, a bit in a one more farm. But Nina come for no, a young man yet, and a young Nayashe. Nay, when he say, the Amaya dear no air 2 stands and same way in an cabin maintenance a trading near the day. And your money, dear, Nayanshe, the bay yamoma. The Amaya maintenance in the end, you say, Abo fra or call public school or your Danny. Abofra or call private school or your gun in me. Dear tools and nearly near Shayan. You wouldn't say. Tamofrano echo on a trimester business, a idea the boy. Chan say, a crow or kindergarten or BS1. Echo costi in pending fees to JHS. Remember, Fana Kusua continuously 6 months without any break. Say a crown, ye trainer dear. You wouldn't say a idea M1. Enunti ana mayedi yen ano atu sanse bi say GS on san ko no nhwe ne niema mu no hu say ade o ye no there was nothing like any scientific research I back in say omo try e wo GHS no reporter e ba ye ni GHS na call ye ni say na call ye say ne hu ni say eto chima timacha e ba ye mu no ade ye hu ni say di gu akwa ma e betima boa enso eni there was nothing like that. As all 50 precopen now be imposed, idea we away a more fast one, you wouldn't say idea M1, not M1 or my emotion.
I see. And until so we had the new academic calendar on the Babaye Juma this year, no. They say 40 weeks, 20 weeks for the first semester, 20 weeks for the next semester. Private schools, you know, you're minister or you're in charge of education, say you are not binded to use that calendar. I don't know. Ye bepa si ye be hunu mo be yusu ana mo be yusu mo own calendar ye nyina enim say eh the tri semester na mo ba be yusu ana mo so you will go by almost 2 semesters yi.
Opening no question pan say idea said the minister action. Anything na American Education Regulatory Bodies Act. Minister no any say private schools and never be your home to 3 years a catching ba. They who say yɛntumi mfa nyɛ adwuma a ɛnyɛ adeɛ a yɛde bɛyɛ adwuma obi bi obusa sɛ adɛn na Ghana Education Service ɛyɛ kuba kan a ɔhwɛ ɛma enwumasua ɔtoto nneɛma ɛkɔ so ɔman mu na private schools for bɛka sɛ ɔmo ntumi mfa ɔmo nsɛm bi nyɛ adwuma ma menkyerɛ wade sɛ wohwɛ saa act no mu a private school owner or your policy implementer. Ghana Education and so a policy implementer. The said the Ministry of Education what are no your policy from data no or but anyone who say may decide the way eba may they bano wa wo betim dia gu afan mu na dia di djuma amana akoso won so no fa na fa ye adwuma a no ne ye GS djuma dia odie private school djuma ye ni a ono so fi say ono ani sikem Okan Education Act 25 section 1 and 2 one a oni petia o fi say obenya ni sika na obetimi dia te private school abo ama ngomasu afom emra no ensi ho kwan dia entimi so mi fi say semede sa policy a aban ede aba ye adwuma akwan a mede gu a ebetima abo a me die enie eno emra no ensi ho kwan dia enti se minister ba abonten na obeka say ade omodi aba no omo for so private school for so omo fani djuma na onim de oka ebi say e wo mra no mu say GS entimi mfanji say ebi emra emehya ne kete say private schools for any show na no kwase me wo mu biom ne say mu yemu say ho say e dey na kofa saa semester base e bae opani obi bia wo tin mu masua ase na onim education ye pa ne say a city ye mofra mu eba a ye beka the tertiary education sector hono e kwanya ye fa so e che ye mofra ye e through play demonstration we have a whole lot of methodology e use to edit them grade e wo lecture presentation e ya de ye mofra ye beka so madi on pen fie so na mo ko tertiary institution and you be hu a ye university any ye training colleges omo academic calendar all the time is on a semester base. When you mean say abofra a usra akwanin ko school to aso bosome poly ensia akwan pokwa so we dey na classroom na o che na dia enwuma sua amaya tiase abodi mu nyansapa enso kra amaya tiase say akwan so tena sia da buru 2 hours a na absorption rate e ya dia e kofom so ye busa GS say omo de sa niam we nyina egu akwam omo de gu nsane ani enya ho anu yie ansa na omo de sa nse aba enti ya private school for ne de emra mu no GS ni mi say ontimi nse ye keten enu nti na ma minister no so no edi na no di jam aba abontinta.
Enti the question is private schools more be go by this new calendar ana mo de mo use the old one aye nyina yinimu no
opening and kasi the calendar aba abontin me no wo kase se metimi a share di krampo e dia no cancel no covid no ba ya the share share on this semester base ya private school hold on bia e use the cancel academic calendar e on a semester base no okay in the course near use ya dia ya di juma even covid e ba ya na no odin krampo no ye use ya e hu se timi boy and no one ye so na ye.
Looking at how our treatment through baby crown more engagement, you know, and said that enque nimu na more complaining. Would you say this government, as far as education reforms, say concerned, you know, the involvement of private schools, you know, are very low, paying attention to private schools, and said that encouraging, you know, would you say abandoning more and didn't ye?
Opening no question, a woman is a nipa bia wa system krampo no so pese wo system bia nya dia e ba no wa no wa ena mpempi no se wo hu se wo standard bi na pese wo do sa standard na nipa wo fi se ontimi meet up to that standard no de bia de obeka ne se woni no ending empen ye ebetimi aka ne se abai we the policies de na gu akwema ye di juma ekwan bi so no ade a only private sector of education in the country and in the ekwan bi so no Rebecca said, idea on a private sector of education, a deal. Say, you can't teach him one. Say, you teach him, say, policy, a free SHS policy, a buy. Private schools were not involved. And then Rebecca said, okay, private secondary schools now. The Brenana, the Ebetina can say, Guana. There were other policies which is free business registration. I buy, you want to say, and also so no, way. But when it comes to training of teachers, yeah, Buania cripple with teachers with the requisite knowledge that a bit to me, I'm a classroom activities now costing you now. A hono private schools, yen to me, say, Rebecca as a bonity after a bino, a bino entity, you know, a idea. What me a boa? Now, you see, we have trained over 5,000 private school teachers in the country. And in a buying more or they a boy. The young coming name for no. The Oko Kojina for now, Kaze. A buying policy on or they buy Amboa to only a year. Now a condition, and to me, I am so any albino and Kasegi.
Okay.
Because only of the year in Mususua, a condition, and also so no engineer here, one of prayer army. Baby no baby so but going forward, you know, they wouldn't say, and near my betting to 20, I'm a private sector of education, after to my Petra. A minute here, the CIA Casa calendar, ye wouldn't say a classic. May I quit a from the ministry, any minister and Casanuka or their Babon say, or my dear Modiaban, or when to me saying, Kitty say, yes, may I fire the engagement. When I am man, I who say, yes, we are Juma, ministry who say, and Yama Elkos away.
All right, Yera ma yena se na bibie ni ebesana babie na fia ba betoa eso anope yeda so bre no adaje a wodiama ye ne atifo. Okay, enti abusuafo ye ne opani ono na okasa de ema Ghana National Council of Private Schools ewo Ghana ha owura Samuel Ejeyi Nyameche and yene no kwatwetwe nkomo. So still talking about education, no. Ghana Education Service and so Enra Oma Robishi claims Ministry of Education it say na nkrofo na mo amo ka say afe 2021 mu no enipa be se 44,000 teacherfo en wo mo ejai adekere omo de eye letter ediba to that effect omo kire se no krebia eni sansem no anankrofo ekeka no emu. So I have intercepted one message and also one letter no ebi wahano dated Enra 20th January 2022, and it goes 44,000 teachers walked out of the classroom at basic schools in 2021, and the letter itself reads: the Ministry of Education has noted with concern statements made by Deputy Ranking Member of the Education Committee of Parliament, Dr. Clement Apak, making rounds online that suggests that close to 44,000 teachers walk out of the classroom at basic schools in 2020-2021 academic year. And the letter continues to say, Education Management Information System EMIS data. Okay, so according to the Education Information System data, some 44,000 teachers left the classroom. This, according to him, represents over 15% alteration rates. For purposes of clarity, the ministry wishes to state the facts as follows. Enti say ena echo 1. Based on the verified EMIS data for 2020-2021, the actual figures that account for the difference in the total number of teachers between 2019 and 2020 and 2020 to 2021 is 34,424 and not 44,000 as wrongly speculated. 2. Over the past years, including that of 2019-2020, EMIS had included NAPCO personnel, national service personnel, and teacher trainees on teaching practice. I don't make a woman so about me, but I'm a diacano, Eddie Atwaso Amamo, Yabeko na Yani Ira Louis Afol, or your deputy NADMO director, Yana Kotriche and Komo Enra. I would have some way see ye ewo apienti and ono ben Bogos or Western region. Yene opening Kotriche and Komo. Yera Louis, Oti Yanka. I can FM Suni, Mama Wachiam Wakwaba, Umpomboko. Ora Louis. Mira Louis, what you Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Louis, what you mean? Can FM Suni, Mama watching what Umpomboko?
Boko.
Yeah, the Radia Sinti. And Rara, some way see ye ewo apientia a bang Bogosono. Wakoye deputy NADMO director and the Abawon chain say, Amaniano Sempa and a Mudru Hormono and Crofo ho. Actually, much remo.
Nadawasi, no match ya what you for you now. Say, men no alcohol from Kakra, no panche, we say, and yajim ketwa. Say, you see me sitting running at that year map. So, you see, and it's a mine explosion car. Only motor that be out in a blasted na motor rider no above. No, the motor no in accident to an enemy. You are trying so basically really panel. No, just to rider no. In the process, no na motor no share car na say. If or apply brake na economy.
Hello? 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 Okay, we seems to have lost him on the line. Yeah, right now, we raise him back. Na yentwa yenkomo twetwe no eso nti ni nyina efendra re hosam we see ye ewo eye Pristia close to Pristia rather Yera Louis asan ba biem Yera wa homa ne duru ba bi etwa sikakra. Oh, too bad. Yeah, her say yensa ebesan aka no ne de na ba homa so nti wo ye deputy NADMO director ewo Pristia Huni Valley and yene ne gusu aye twetwe nkomo enra re hosam we see ye no a very very bad and sad one and paying so the release be at the ababa a explosion incident a course no Trano Gold Mines Limited ena omo kire se omo car ekofa we nyina de ebaye ne senti Trano Gold Mines Limited enso so e de ye ensemtrofo nkrata abambonten so press release almost explosion on Takwa Bogosu Road, Trano, January 2022. A truck under the supervision of and belonging to mining services contractor Maxam was involved in a collision causing an explosion near the town of Bogoso. The vehicle was headed to Trano and approximately 140 kilometers away from the site during the incident. We are closely monitoring the situation and the rescue efforts. Inti signed Kwabena Owusu Amprechum, communications officer at the Trano Gold Mines Limited. Inti yereso ono so yensa be kano ne na abo enkomo but onipa ne ne di nkoma ahoma no afeli yen no ono ne Louis Afol or your deputy NADMO director ewo Pristia Huni Valley ewo Western region enti enra ampieti ho no se apieti ho no enipa na wo mo kuro ni mu no according to NADMO boss a wo eye Pristia Huni Valley ho no o kire se kuro no ani adane a kuro no ankasa kra no wonyi ni se nipa betimi atena kuro ni mama na yeye biem because nia asi wo ho no very sad. Very, very, very sad. Very, very sad. Ya her say yadi opening ne bebon common we na fe ya hwe omo aprepra no omo da henfa enipa nso ayate se omo awuo no omo sie wo omo yenya ne ntie se vice president Dr. Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia ono nso so akopie mu ho wodi nani kwakodidia ekoso no echi nti ya hwe se yensa besan ka afo na ode details no blow to blow account at the amayen. All right, so some 48 minutes after 8. Still live on AHENKAN 93.3 FM. So I was talking about Ghana Education Service. One more press. I'm the ababonti. I'm much to say. Yera Clement Park. Ebe make wide allegation. Be anu much to say. 2020-2021. A teacher for a woman jai adichere. And kontano enenam 44,000. Omo chese no kribi minimum eye 34,000. But no krano eye data bi omo ko peke from NAPCO trainees, national service personnel ni omo a ya said afa for omo nye permanent staff GES recognize omo and omo jai ye kokko ye adwuma foforo because we say NAPCO adwuma no bi omo a wo fa no a akwanya bi ba ma no otimi jai. It is not only the education sector nkwa and a cost so omo ye do omo call other divisions ni nyina no oguso ye no one opportunity bi ba or drop it now I could pay attention to nti san microphone no bi and omo jeje adwuma no a sami up money be through 34,000 and 44 as widely speculated watch let's say ranking member on education Clement Apak edibeto emonti so nti ye say yen sabe company for na ye no omo abo enkomo wadwen nche no betumi edi aba ena Prestia ampiatia ben bogoso eno wo Prestia honi value incident na isi ya yeguso a eka ho asem no so no ubetumi edi wo condolences messages edi aba amomanfo bi a omo ho akwakam wo ho no enso so etumi ati ebi. All right. Inti yabekoyanim yensa eka owura no akire yede no ebeba na yatoa sa enkomotwetwe no. So but we can also say the Vice President of the land, His Excellency Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia wakudru honomo a or kwako commensurate with the people of Apieti. Na fe any other nti say biara aban no wo edema wo no so wetumi edi egu na kwan eso. All right, so my main call Facebook na me read some messages modi afa ho no mo aba no emfa ema we see frame capito go so menhia enodi free e by no che say patriotic voices e wo go so no che say in fact near see e wo Apieti no e very very sad e wo sempani mfo hwe no mo de nhye di gu akwan eso wo mo a womo ahwere womo nkwan nso omokra enhome ewo asumdwe ekwan so na sa explosion ha Ghana adwene papa wo sempanimfo hwe na omutu ho anamon osi awrade ehunu oman kronkron Ghana mobo enchia enkoma unimunyamfo Steven in team or say incoming national chair edema NPP amanyuku no Crispo edi free eye fufu eno odi eba ye ose oye very sad pa arewo semu esi ye wo bogoso Apieti ho no ha adwen pa edi nta wose esua bibi edi free mu Ghana de bia bibi sei ba ye be kasa petre na sam ye nsua hwe mfa free mu ye wo Ghana ha ya ena ofra o sample atomic enkran atomic madina ho explosion see ye e wo filling station bi be pem ne lessons not learned or just say a hard juniper. King K and say Obi Saka no de eba King K that's it be brave for watching and also commenting. Mami K Papa B Eddie Free Sunyan and eba no just say oh Ghana enra yawoda ne de na yawoda tuntum pa o na ne condolences enko emfa ema wo mo hwere wo nkwane nyina wo Apieti eno ewo bogoso o bompaye se wo nso apripra no ohwe di amponyankopon ensa wo nyina yade emfa ema no maami ke papa bi di ono nso di free sunyan eba ene anopei eno no kire se enchiankoma onimunyamfo awo banahene Honorable Kwesi Ameyawo Chreme Honorable Bafo Ewua Nana H Lab ena NPP regional executives no enyina Emmanuel Ayi Mante and also great discussions by the team. Kudos or that yenyina ya se sign aboya baso nyame onhira papa Kennedy nyako enso so mamachi o anopai oboba in fact obo adwumaden papa edi ama o micron Ghana and inti mo amode mo messages abani nyina yesi nyame onhira mo mako odie nya meduru ya ubetumi ediaba na yakenkan de amount. Normal SMS no so 0594 841044 0594 841044. We see a friend Beatrice Benis Eddie Free Batebi and what the aba no say oh my achiano pay na abozege or say ye numero 1 yada sibibre for yentwaso de aka umbia yentwaso asa na yenko yenganim kakra sa inti Benis, thanks for coming through with your message. Nonetheless, one said that I'm far we be ma yada sibibre but yada si. All right, 53 minutes past 8, still live on AHENKAN933.3 FM. Mo amoshe on Facebook no comment na yenkenkan wiase nyina susu hunu ne wo susu utirim. Inti ye say we will, bring back on the line afo na odi nia ekoso ewo apieti no e de amayen na yetumi akoyani menu achi nso education sector ho nia ekoso no nso ye behwe ni adimu nkomo na onim se glosag for omo an omre beto montin so nka omo eko strike, but I don't know, but to me I would want to believe say they've been convinced by government as we speak in omo chere say omo adwuma for omo members emo abo omo ho na nyankopon ya adomo a omo nkwa adwuma enti womo to so release no mo dia ba bonten ye behwe na yetumi akenkan bi de amawo ewa ha ewia na ye ne opani no so akobo enkomo de afa ehon kakra enti glosag womo letter no be cancer wa ha, but I don't know whether it's still here. All right. Message and I mean who? Okay, any. All right. Into almost say Civil and Local Government Staff Association Ghana, GLOSAG, and one more letter de ba enra 20th January 2021. So press release. The National Executive Council (NEC) of Civil and Local Government Staff Association Ghana, GLOSAG, at its meeting held on Thursday, 20th January 2022, had reviewed the Memorandum of Understanding between the government and GLOSAG. The National Executive Council (NEC) of GLOSAG has therefore decided to call off the strike. All members should organize themselves and resume work on Monday, 24th of January 2022. We are grateful to all our members for their support and the print and electronic media for the coverage of our activities. May God bless us all. Issued by the National Secretariat of GLOSAG, Accra, on 20th January 2022. Signed, Eye Ura Isaac Bampo Ado, or your Executive Secretary. And Nanensa Eshe Asia 56 minutes after 8. Yet as if you are marching any Jumedian edin or frame Obuoba Ofori Amanfo, the Commander General. I drink a see. Yet as what you me pato tiwe my yeba. Yet was so. I will fear her. Memo Renfi say, aside the GLOSAG conversation, the Ghana Education Service conversation, I dare say, and some children come could be almost so yabano, Kuyayon Semwa, Oma Bini Wum, Oma den same year to Jay Bidding Commodia Fahu, ye are na Yaba Ghana Blasters. Inti Yang sports presenters, some will join us for the discussion. Inti stick and stay and come be a by a bar. Conversation a fake crown ebe shas ye. Yabema o kwan na to so aba mu bi. Na wo de wadwen kire no e de aba. Tiwe ma yen ye ba. Ye to aso.
Wow, Kwame ne dressing the wow. She suit ne shirt papa bi a sha no. Wo hu shoe no. Take a groomsman no kra. She say bibia is on point. Kwame de enya me wan say o share that ko wedding hu shop no UK o. UK. St. Philip Enterprise no. O Kwame Kuma Circle he ya o.
St. Philip Enterprise. A banu mema nyoma dia. Don't go there. Pobet show designer shirts a papa mwe feely. Into wosuma hunye ha. Na kwaji St. Philip First Choice, Special Man, MK Classic, Deluxe, Unique, PN Design, India Keka hon. Na nini nansu ya cotton slim fit designer shirts a papa bi. Ope belt, shoes, material trousers, jeans, Lacoste, and suits. Any St. Philip Enterprise from Krumah Circle. Where Benkaneshi Trotro Station for Frona. A overpassing in channel. Okanshi, opposite Kani UT Bank. And Atudu, IRS Building Numu, shop number 17. For 0244 147 212 and 0204 709 963. Now we are wholesale ni retailing na. Aya woko bisa St. Philip quality kaki trousers no. Ebe fit we say St. Philip Enterprise. Wa hu fintra.
Hey Jack, it's bookshop or pass what town and I won't catch him.
Oh, Bloom's Bookshop and Trading Enterprise. Asemna Woken. Say it test books, exercise books, pen, pencil, eraser, adiebia, a fa addition hono. Would we reach them Bloom's Bookshop and Trading Enterprise on Sabekabi. You will book no any free crutch, ecopim tertiary institutions in Engina. And sorry, offices. And now we be bookshop kasiye and I will pay books in the Gumua. Also call on one sa ebekabi. Kai, Nation son. Say, you're turning the doso poom, Sanso, and I will pay back on Sa Ebitumiaka. Akim or down supermarket, Yanni GCB Bank and D and Shady Moon. Fraying was 0244 293632. And I say 0203 083031. Bloom's Bookshop and Trading Enterprise. Mark of excellence.
Malaria ya banana druna bo tenate. Fix Herbal, the Fix Mala mixture. Wa boni pitu, wa boni bede. Na otu malaria se prekupe na aba. Se wuti yo wenumato. Wa powder sisi wiye. Akwa aspiti ana akwa ye test ma wosi enya malaria. Ma malaria nzi unye bio. For Fix Mala mixture na obama wa pomuzin prekupe. Kwa drugstore ana pharmacy shop ne benya Fix Mala mixture ato. Na se pendudu etwa ko Fix Herbal wo adenta kantamansu. Ana frɛ one wo 020-844-4442. 020-844-4442. Fix Mala mixture dri. Obi a wenyin san. Anorma bofraba enufu. Ana bofraba onzi mfidwe bien mfa. Fix Mala mixture. Enkratuyi FDA apenodo.
Ghana adisiye. Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo ache edeba AHENKAN933.3 FM.
Okay, so it's exactly 9 a.m. on the dot live on AHENKAN93.3 FM. So still on the Bogoso incident is see and the Ministry of Information and so Eden Krata Abamontin so much say Krata no de ba enra or say earlier today nti meka say earlier today and that say enra no more refer to earlier today government received the tragic news of an explosion at Apieti along the Bogoso border road in the western region that led to the destruction of some parts of the town and resulted in injuries and the death of some residents. Preliminary report indicates that there was an accident involving a truck conveying explosive materials for a mining company, a motorcycle. All right, inti yankodin komo wi mra mu asemu all right. Yera abeka fojo otimenka AHENKAN933 suni masan amwache umpomoko.
Oh, na me adumenya bibia boko.
Yeah, that's it, bebre. Inti ye last conversation ye ne have ye no na ye hwe ekwan befa so a mo beti atua anche mo mpanimfo a kire se atuate no mo agyae e de ben potin na akoso nti na mo agyae mo atuate yi
no me na me da wasi be ala pe am ko inga se me cheche se mo che tifo ni kan mi tia mo ne AHENKAN tifo nyina me na awiase we wa ho se ofie echi eni abokun na de come so dua ne ome and the come do now mama and so papa mo we ani bia o how bia ni o so biem asem we me dikan ma ho tia se nneema di na e kwachew awu eduma yemu ya pem na ase eduma wura obulia echi na so aniti na ma ta etiati e baaye bra ezute ani aye nyan no aye da bra ukuada no awia ena penifo frɛ association penifo aban April. But for 6 years, a year 2 o'clock. A bay young camper to attend Uncle Lee. And yesterday, be a church in Rebecca. Every day. The crack be anywhere, no what time at your mind. So when you now so and if you found Lee in die. The permanent Uncle see. Uncle say, Yawada, a church at a basso. Yawada area, and I say, a buying a tear here. No, I didn't say crack after. I found MOU at the Maya say. The near my go a man or Wajakin. If he was saying, Yan San Quiti, the young Conquayjuma. Yes, what can I say? Yes, Yati. Now, what kind of year, anyhow, is the one name Yayan. 18 knows what can, yes, you have a society, Ako Eduma. As in the say, what kind of Mayan? Now, I met my phone and as association members in your margin say, I buy a San Mayano. Like I said, we saw a year, every year to match, and yes, I here. I buy a share about say, to which you match. I take it first from 3rd January 2022, but match pay in a bar about the Kano beer who say, Barony and a bank, you know, as soon as I about any. Listen, you know, the Grand Aqua whistle, I catch it at my foot now said, baby, beer will be a one. Yami Atuma at Twada will be unfortunate to them. So one unfortunate to them, not to get problem, and I only do an awesome.
The last time I know Ebon Komo, Oma Yenyan say, I buy a decan crown Moshia committee Tiena Bemuma, then senior minister, now senior presidential advisor, Yira Yaw Osafumafo, and Annette so. Omo assure mo, Esan Kramamo green light, self finance ministry, no. And na adibia was one way and woman ye. Oman ye, and I'm here some more ebe yo ye. This time around, the same people not saying assure mubium. How different and at this assurance, I don't imagine media must say you mean.
You remember that say, first one I cannot. Not on controller for advice, Woman Fanko. Because after advice, you know, let's say you say I'm part. A kind of ABA. Am I? One month found quite now one fear me and I'd be sure a buyer. And I buy that one who be here. A hacking. If you look at say, Omako advice on the Ako Abba, Emma, I bind it in Sasha here, Emma, a chrono said in Sasha here. Say, a Jamia Tuma, match. I bind it to Ubichaka, yes, you are getting. No one is a man and Jackadia. One physical number idea, if you walk on a blessing, your other thing.
Is there a yet the can I see ya Mukuno and Ma Abino the benefit of the doubt? I see. And as we speak in the air, move to me, I can't the members in Omo ye part of a year. Civil and Local Government Staff Association Ghana say nyame yadomo a Monday must strike no ma calling off into omunkwa edwuma.
Ya call strike off aye enedari te do ada obi ekwa edwuma.
Ete ndo amankwa edwuma.
Dabi.
Enen so monko.
Yes, you say yanko ene no and say fane oda Ben Central. Eni say aye edwuma no. Over 70% aya hohwa abande o mabetna ha aye aduma etna otu bia obi akoneki eko hele busuafo e ba say no obi atukwan eko nchi ndura wakuduru enne programs we say na weekend ayi ho programs ahoro bibiri e wo ho ama amanfo enne wakuduru tumi nkan chan say onsambra enne na ne wo pon wa anasandra na de o meduru na no pon wa tako back. Eti ani abano ati atese saad na akobani ntino yentumi enkan cho se na putu problem na adwuma edi oye nyebe tu akwadwuma agi se dwada ama ban so ati afi eti dwada obi a report e wadwuma.
Okay, yera ma yana se na ye nyina ye mompa ye emfante chiri se this time around here assurance no enkonko ye empty nemum ombetu so na mo amamo.
Ni amo se me da afi.
Enti abusia ye ni yera abeka fojo ene kwatwetwe nkomo no oba Brem Central Municipal Assembly ya ono and Civil and Local Government Staff Association of Ghana, or ye more chairperson. That brings us to 8 minutes into 9 a.m. Live on AHENKAN933 FM. Jumedia Ugusu Awitieno Ede Maakye. Ofremi Obuoba Ofori Amanfo. We esi friend Yeboah Samuel. And wadi aba odi free himfa KKB Kokobin. Osi AHENKAN FM Mube Juma. Nyankopon unshram papa ne etuhu ache eno no kra. Moya madwene se mbekọ so ade di dwuma aboa wo mo nneoma hodo nyina mu. Me de de bia mpa ya me bone se nyame obeyi mo afri obonefo no susuye ene na gina tuo nyina emu. Onko so amomo ho ban. Na mo nsom oman Ghana. Onipa bi obe na dwene se obesori atia mo no. Ewrade ensori entia no. Adom ne ahumobro ne asomdwe ena mesre e de amamo. Afi de wadane ayi. Konkon. Before I told you nyama ya wait media baby do ha ya back in kind kama edi amount. So before jumping to a year local government, one more one more conversation and one more D and so on. Na migusua Ministry of Information one more so statement and the bad thing so with regards to a year apieti. I would also say we see what honor one and one American kind of sign for and antimuka say. Earlier today, government received the tragic news of an explosion at Apieti along the Bogoso-Bodier Road in the western region. That led to the destruction of some parts of the town and resulted in injuries and the death of some residents. Preliminary reports indicate that there was an accident involving a truck conveying explosive material for a mining company, a motorcycle, and a third vehicle close to an electricity transformer, leading to the explosion. Upon the instructions of the President of the Republic, a national emergency response mechanism was activated immediately. Personnel from the police service, fire service, National Disaster Management Organization NADMO, Ghana Health Service, National Ambulance Service, the municipal authority, and residents have all been involved in providing support. Additional personnel and resources have been dispatched to the community to support the response efforts. An alternative route has been created to facilitate the movement of stranded vehicles plying that route. All hospitals within the vicinity are being used to treat injured persons, and an evacuation plan has been activated to move those in critical condition to medical facilities in Accra so they can get the needed assistance. To forestall a secondary explosion, a joint team of police and military explosion experts has been deployed to examine the situation and put in place the requisite measures to forestall requisite measures. As at 17 hours, a total of 17 people have sadly been confirmed dead and 59 injured persons had been rescued, bringing to the 76 the number of persons known so far to have been affected by the tragedy. Out of the 59 injured persons, 42 are receiving treatment and some in critical condition. Early reports indicate that several houses and structures in sections of the town have been destroyed, and plans have been put in place to ensure that stranded community members are catered for in the coming days. We would want to urge the public to remain calm and obtain regular updates from the National Emergency Response Team. At 11 a.m., which is today, the Emergency Response Team will provide updates from the scene of the incident. Government commends the Police Service, Fire Service, the National Disaster Management Organization, the Ghana Health Service, National Ambulance Service, the Municipal Authority, health professionals in the medical facilities within the vicinity, and local residents for their assistance so far. Government further expresses deep condolences to the families of the deceased and sends best wishes to the injured for their speedy recovery. as relief and containment efforts continue and the situation is brought under considerable control, President Akufo-Addo will visit Apiati to assess the effectiveness of the response effort. Signed, Eye Kojo Opon Nkrumah MP and ne nsa krata yi ase. Nti we so release a free Ministry of Information enra. Eno me de ba monten so nti say ye boni nyina tofa e de amamo a omo kire se as at the time a omo anya sa report no ana so omo de sa nsam yi amakenkan beto monten so no na Apiati a no ewo bogoso board ye kwantempon so a ewo Western region ekuro bi a wo ha ye fe na Apiati no na omo kire se car bi a belonging to mining company omo mutu fama gudie yi na car ne ewo mu no ye nea ye de blast etutututu fm agudie explosive material and omo se na ewo mu na car bi a ye okada bi o se ye se abobo ya bi na eno ni kodi achiemu na kobu afuni ekofa osa wo hawo ni nyina de eba ye o se aban no so de nhye ahodo no ade agu akwan mu a ohwe kwan yo mbefa so na omatumi aso ano enipa a omo awuo no womo we hye womo abusuafo condolences almost sere wom se omu nyina nue omu so aprepra ne so the needed health care was ye de ma wom no so no oma asure mo se wom de ebema wom o kire so mampani Akufo-Addo de nani ba kire mu ho but as we speak now no we can report said the vice president Dr. Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia emum na okọ scene ho no mo a yenim se ebia kire yi eno mampani be kọ ana vice president ye kọ no eno ano no ana yemfa enu si ho ansa yenkwa homa ne so na yeni yera Richmond Frimpong and Concord Komo or your president at the Ghana Agricultural and Rural Development Journalists Association and Kotri and Komo yera out yan kan FM suni yamu acha mu akwaba umpumboko
obadi adom na wonso
nyame adom yenso ye ho ye papa nti se ye ka se Ghana Agricultural and Rural Development Journalists Association how many are here for?
Yeah, I'm also simple and short. And central for ye dedicate your home, and your book clear home, and you inquire home the room. Ama is a cry about Sa Miamiaho. And until Anna, your kind of boom since 2014. And ye gusua, ye ma. Agriculture attention. Some years back, now we lose even Kwana or the story connect for agriculture. The editors may not look at it, they will just grab it. And no, and I contributing factor. Am I clear your own sermon? I had to be your. To 2014, we put together a set of journalists, and the former this association said, you dedicate your home to primary champions. Agriculture and rural reporting, including science, and MIT.
Okay, nti muhunu say bia this year budget abide by no ne focus on agric no enye very encouraging and nti na ma more twena adwensi so say agricultural sector na was say or prioritize it this year.
Minya we enyina ye asama ede enyina ye senior situation here when it comes to policy making at government very good at it. But the implementation level now on implementing am I na within that sector near hotel am I home to it. When say a CBR government just recently and previous year the sector minister Dr. Uso Kutofi Ebekan on point blank weather pattern and our effective food yield. We at Gaga, we don't expect such personalities. So that is the reason why I Ghana for through the president, I believe in you and what do I call transfer. We've been traveling every day now here and there. I'm on it. And she said, yeah, the various agriculture sectors no more AC development again now more equation if you back
Udu Ministry of Food and Agriculture and Penifon work and there be a mutuquain. What new thing I'm coming back to them? Countries now have taken this matter for more irrigation and wind farming, wind system to support the agriculture production. They call Burkina a desert community. Government, actually take the initiative for 1 year irrigation system for them. Every year they are almost year full, almost transfer, and they show better, they change so better. And government it key steps so one village, one dam. As I'm speaking with you now, dam and to me one a year agricultural production. So idea are buying it in year modern irrigation facility systems and other in rural communities for all year round. The minister will not come and tell us in Su and 20 and not a food and I say in the Bayana. And then I got a catch up and say, we don't want to be hearing these stories. And I say, but what when I saw to me 10 things run for us, only a bit to the same and you nice means only a shimai. Indeed, Yama Abino set on man home so over the area of irrigation. Sabana to me irrigation facilities and all our various farming areas. I mean, yeah, a Gianni and the boy of late, a Gianni will be coming down for all of us. Everything I enjoy. A bus as well, only say, you say, scout our Gianno chain is there input. Yeah, says the car or your pum deal because every day we eat. And then over spending on. So we did 3 times now, Mokana. Once I did cry, when you cry 50 cities, but the other 50 cities are multiplied by a week. So now, what do you know, Diana? It's a high time. Let's start buying and go back to the drawing board. Now, I had the failed dam policy that is. One village, one dam. No, it's a failed one, and there's no 2 ways about it. And can you na Obia who say Abana failure that aspect? No, I'm not drawing board. No, na the entire mom failure. No, I'm get back to Ghanaians. No more pagana facho. Yeah, ya failure for myself. Yeah, no, ya you ya boboka. You're there for. And the who do is the government they were policy there or the farmers. The farmers between and buy and I say it cheap any fertilizer any home my idea at a very cheap rate. So they are almost between a country and a banana boy. But I shall say are buying policies under the one party for food and job. No. Yana on some kind of fees about the milk for Kudia. And normally Yana entire and my own time. You himself farming season such a match. Because I bring in a second branch share. Like about who be February there. Not of February, like a Canadian Saka. A year in timber and other seasonal and even fertilizer. But I buy better now at now middle of the year. If you have June, July, never. A basa omwa emma production and kosi. And you know any 2 points are easy. And the third one also has to do with if say MMDs, you hold not be more yet in your respective areas protecting a year farming land. You say buying in your in certain communities. I buy what I see in certain communities. But we are buying yes as MMDAs, and the motive no money I have for too. And MMDAs, almost 2, but we are not utilizing it well. And no Nama Ghana, I am not sure. So if the MMDAs are utilizing almost 2 million or more year, and Ghana can hold to a power. It is from money, Nanam, and collaborate. Now, among the general lands, and I say among plan, I want to have a higher farming zone.
is not meant for any infrastructure development. Yen fancy dying. The animal said the Equia. And the assembly no one out to me say obi a basic dying, but man to me crata. So if assembly got an animal to me crata, a developer who need to me, assembly can demolish it at any given time. And assembly no I and I say, Oba is a war. Kumasi Chanchana, you say, or now small holder farmers, no. Because their job on Saturday, a developer community, no. It is Siadan. Now, only Siadan, if one had the baby, we have any to see Diana. As far as funny, the fire, a baby. And these are the key things that, yes, sir, at Sundays, you say, I'm on an amount of normal comment, the random of understanding. I'm on a random of understanding too. Not in the end, well, when you know, nem managing. I think anybody my boy, I'm a vast land for agriculture production. And again, there are so many organizations are more into agriculture. But he has here who said there's no coordination between these organizations, you know. And then Emma Obia anyhow, any words, Obia Tonkin agenda because of what he or thinks or making. If you're a coordinated and integrated platformer, basically coordinating the activities of all these organizations are more a champion agriculture sector. No? So therefore, making prioritize a banning policies rather than say or more the labor material, or more you're not banning so. Are buying into it. You know. We want them to follow and implement those policies as government. You know, there have been so many policies on board, but the government has not been able to implement or actualize those policies simply because apparently any car or they those things. Because there were so many organizations or more agriculture space or. It's high time. It's a bino. Extra animal. Not ultimately coordinate to activities. Not even the ban policies out there. Banner. Or more champion that cause. I think that no everything in agriculture now is just a little bit no. Actually, other than that, my yes still now when you go to the northern region, for instance, NGOs need embassies now. Yet our lovely sisters and brothers, no, are migrating from that community to the cities to struggle to even make money on daily basis. It's young you just see now. The say you see my boy. I'm a
Okay, so I think say explanation no very clear. Into me push you with any question again. Ya fancy ha, ya wogidi say watch chirimu no. Empanimfo eti ebehwe kwan obefa so a obde beye adwuma na aboa ye nyina. Ye da se anopa yi. All right,
thank you.
Yeah, that's inti yene Richmond Frimpong ena etwetwe nkomo Richmond Frimpong president Edema Ghana Agricultural and Rural Development Journalists Association and ene kwetwe nkomo no I can sound to some kan kire wa wutie mi anopa yi say weekend di occasion ni bebre na ewu kurom ebi ko wedding ebi ko engagement ebi ko outdooring edoso ahenkan sounds per any account for the amount say your wedding engagement birthday party outdooring be na call graduation funeral ebi na wokwa na mo call float bi ena mo per machine said ye di dwuma me kan for ahenkan sounds ena ede amamo ene anope ahenkan sounds bo ne da fam ye wo DJs nso so a omo abene obebo wonwom kama pa amadwumade na wudie no atimi adimu aya na wa save number yi akire yi say program ne beba na wa frɛ 0543 3509 34 0543 3509 34 aya na wa frɛ sa number no ni madi nkomo e wa akire ho Blooms Bookshop and Trading Enterprise say men kan kire wo say school ni yabie ena no nkrofo bi yabie school nom tonton books bi ma ne boden den yetena ase ne ase da bi yekofa eye bookshop mfamra ebo ne da fam obia obeba ho no mo no ebehunu se ampa prices no edida fam one ya wo pesa wo to bi de koyi bia won so nsa betumi aka bi nti say textbooks exercise books na wo pe from crèche to tertiary institutions ni nyina no on nsa betumi aka bi Bloom's Bookshop and Trading Enterprise na make am for dia ma on ye chi kwan enye dira kwan ye wo achim odan supermarket no ye ni GCB bank na edi enhwe ni mu okwa faji na owo store ni ho sanso so na openi ba ko a ono so wo ho no mo ono so ye very good pa osofo or ye very good pa okwa a omo be sresre a chiro kama na wetimi ato books no enti ba bie bookshop na wo pay books no bie gum bebre a nkrase ho no enko kumase enko takrade enko enkran obebo kagu oba Bloom's Bookshop a ebo na wo koto won kran ni kumase ne keka ho no sa pepepe efo onso koton wan wetimi anya bibi kakra edi egu ubotom Bloom's Bookshop and Trading Enterprise pe ena wobenya no fofofo sa wo pe ba akwa ato ana wo pe dodo ato no ko ho no mo a wonsa betimi aka bi eya no afre e wo 0244 932 0244 29 3632 0244 29 3632 and I say 0203 083031 0203 083031 and the number be free Bloom's Bookshop and Trading Enterprise near Joe so Fixman capsules say a scientifically tested and approved into ya no what ya say dear mami ebeboa na wenya immense benefit bebre e de free ho a ebema wo male vitality no akonanim usisi ene ye wo ya ntumi mo adwuma brantie kasatenten na doso a Fixman capsules and I make come for the amount. Malaria na etete won so aye the fix mala mixture na dia ba beboa mo. Obi won so ye adwuma kakra bia no abrani ti dwan no e pai no ege ne ka asorobin etete 1 pound hwa dachi e de how kese na de be bro Fixman capsules any fix mala mixture and I make come for the amount ba kwa e dia be bom e Arabella ointment no eno eboa o say ye honam no na enima bia be gugu ani ka basa ebeboa na yi ni nyina de afiri ho no mo na ntem na propro eja boso a eye foot rot no ebe yi de afiri ho no kama e de ama o manfo e pedodo no atuo no mo betimi de mani a kire mu 444442 0208 444442 and a line here 0302 90 2071 0302 90 2071 and the number be free eye fix herbal ni atimi agye so kama na mo amo ekope bia tu amo konkran no wodi wani kire mo kan shi ye wo King's Walk herbal Angel herbal Nana Boache herbal and ye wo Kobedia Enterprise amanfo wo assignment so be called Wisdom herbal Kaswa a tribe of Judah and I will be hunu a Fixman capsules in Ronia niema hodu aka nyina bi na wetumi akoji ebk Asenso Limited say a swinging wheel office chairs, quality wooden chairs, authentic bookshelves, and I will pay me pacho. I will say we keep documents, very safe and sound. Send a beya and crofo babejia and concofa problem beyond famba. K Asenso Limited na make for their mouth. Secular Dabraka of Iran Clinic, Kaneshi Flamingo Road, Yawa Zango Junction. I know a friend was 0302 257 209 0302 919-739. Shannon Suma me say and then so yabeche sobo tea no ebi. Sobo tea no mo a mo be frɛ no yabeche mu bi. Yenya abotre ene de akaka dro hwentia pepre abroba ni mako ene de afra ene de aye sobo tea no a yeyiyi ne te sɛ de wo nom leptin no wo ankasa wo yi a na dodo bi a pese oye no wo ankasa wa hye ne sɛ de wo nom eye leptin ne pepepe ya packaging ne nice one ne bo na efo and into ya no ahyɛ ne nso de ama me upe bi a obeba AHENKAN FM ubeduru ha no mo a ubisa yase a wonsa ebeka sobo tea no ebi ana ubefre 0551 119620 0551 119620 0244 087695 sobo tea de Ghana fo age atum ama bruchirefo nyina so age atum and into se wonsa eka bi ebeboa pa Omanfo ewo kumase be 0246 1852 16 0246 1852 16 and amo United Kingdom US of A Australia US of A number near +13128266561 NT Mami Janet da kwa wo New York o fresh number na won sabe kan Obuoba tea na abo pepepe Omanfo nso wo Australia ye +61401770577 Obuoba tea omada Roma omasuemu ne dwumadie de ebremo Ampabis Construction Company Limited omo free omo say eye quality plumbing materials and I will pay dia kudi udwuma for any chirem e woni ho Ampabis say eye modern showroom no ma fix it with jacuzzi, corner bar, shower cubicle, instant water heater, WCs no mo the type bia e dia ba ye wo kitchen eye modern kitchen sinks and so ho PVC pipes no size bia wo pe on sabe ka bia eye Interplus and amaye pumping machines, filters, any rubbers, pure water companies. Munina moba ha monsa betumi aka bia bo ni nyina eye wholesale price and amonsa ebeka. Atim odan ye ne Kia station ne din hwani mu ewo one way road no so ya no afre 0208 281951 0208 281951 0244 425195 ofra no bi so mo se enema na abobodin no mo obi wo ho omo obi o meka kire omo ni bi so meka kire o Ampabis Constructions Company Limited ni ajo so say where the quality sells cheap. Finally no yamfa sedan koma St. Philip's Enterprise omo say ye mema outfit and a wo pair designer shirts and a wo pair designer tops and a wo pair ye kamfu St. Philip's Enterprise e di amount and it is oba yen ho a ye wo eye St. Philip's First Choice Special Man MK Classic ye wo unique niyama bobo din nyina no eya no ahye nso say ye the cotton slim fit and e dey ayes a designer shirt no e nyina eye papa suit say we dey call wedding engagement program bi a wo call political suit ye oni nyina bi e we yen ho no mo a jeans trousers and knickers Lacoste no so ye wo Puma Nike Gucci Calvin Klein and in designer shirt bi a wonim hu bia over St. Philip's Enterprise on sabi to me akabi wo belt shoes material trousers and khaki trousers and so on sabi to me akabi Kwame Nkrumah Circle ye ben eye new Kanishi Trotro station no overpass no ha okan shin so former UT Bank wo mo ho ene no di enhwani mu tudu nso so ba IRS building shop number 17 na yetumi abo pa ya no afren was 0244 147212 0244 14 7212 0204 70 99 63 ofra ya no akase otie e wa henkan FM unya kasa akeka o 20% discount at St. Philip's Enterprise omo edi ebemao
Ghana adisiye Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo ache ediba ahenkan 93.3 FM.
Erunti ye ba be din komodi afa Ghana Black Stars ho, but before we do that, Ghana Education Service see emfantu enim say appointment of newly trained teachers in the Ghana Education Service. Management of the Ghana Education Service announces further information passed their licential exams, completed the mandatory national service, applied for recruitment into the service. That the appointment letters have been released. Appointment letters can be accessed on www.gespromotions.gov.gh. Omoka say a fee of 10 Ghana cedis applies. No. Appointees are to report to the regional directors with their appointment letters and certificate for further directives. And almost sign Ajua Van Veka, Mrs. Director Edema HRMD, Director General Ghana Education Service. Inti appointment letter and omodema newly trained teachers here Ghana Education Service. Omo employ wom. Inti say also so can category of people na ye bobo so no ho a wadaroma na wako wom website no. Omo just say www.gespromotions.gov.gh. Oko hono mo ye 10 cedis wetua na afi ni aka bia no matimi atwa so amame. Some 37 minutes past 9 a.m. live on AHENKAN933.3 FM. And into on our spotlight this morning, the abysmal performance of the Ghana Black Stars. Was the ongoing AFCON 2021 tournament, Yababi Dimun Komo Kakra. Ebinomo ebise a whole lot of issues. Yane head of sports Eddie Mahinkan FM Joshua Kwabena Jenim between Komo Kwabena Apomoko de
Yawoko Obi
I say Ghana Blasters if you no comment to name man yamu debut I didn't hear
oh Rabi once Afcon no yeah ball from stage B copy stage B and group stages na run the nyina ba na wie
okay
and one say AHENKAN FM yen so pese programs ni because so a yen pese comment to na beji ye programs ni nyina nti no yeah ye hwe crucial game na dodo na ba ye interested wo mu no the live comment to na dia ba nti me no ka say the run na group stages no bibia ko na wie ye nti ye ba home 2 days ene ebi mba so echine bi mba so na ahyase that's Sunday na fi round of 16 no na ahyase Sunday no ti Sunday no so ye bofuru wonum wi a na akomande ye bo Monday na ni aba Tuesday na fi Wednesday atwa so na san so agi break akra na san so abo ni aka we ni mu no nti Sunday city baby a adu ne de round of 16 na
ye share wana okofie
we de poke crowd enya de a o bought 3 games and say o group stages ni abowie nti we no ye nya share wa 1 game pe na odu ni achieve na
and so far how many teams na aka wo mo
sisi a round of 16 ye won nti aka 16 teams
aka 16 nti omo bebo na aka 8
omo bebo nti ye bo ani asone so ni yi half ni abo ani asone so na yi half na be do 4 ni abo na ye 2 na aka final na fi third and fourth on so I dey enso abo
and the next round no a round of 16 no how many teams na be ko fie
round of 16 no ye chemu mi no nti almost half 16 teams no almost half
enebeko fee inje say 8 enebeko fee
ina echo
oh I see
8 so yebo 8 ni ye nya 8 teams ni wi ana say aman watwi ni wi a yebo a na 4 so ko na ka 4
okay
nti 4 no so yebo a na ye yi omo mu di nkunim no na abeka 2 no makobo final na fe 2 no omo so mo ntime ndi nkunim no na makobo third and fourth place no
okay I see all right inti ever since Ghana Black Stars omunya this humiliating defeat and exit and go for raise concerns be brave bi mo chese yempam we no there I say the normal and the usual ranks ye tournament bi aba yeti but yemfa no the normal conversation ne comment and for passing fencing chain na yenhwe Black Star na nkasa omo how ne saying
abo Amanfo kesa na Coach Milo yensake no Coach Milo oba the second coming no ebi krampo say since Jesus Christ be feeling the second offense coming into no obi an hold more baba second coming na obe succeed but Coach Milo before that no ye nyina ye nim ha omo appointing no omo ka che say target me no de man no and target ne wo president Keto Kreku ne voice nyina wo ha no say target me no de ma Coach Milo say obetim dia ko wini Afcon na fasa so dia qualify ko World Cup na eba so e okata no and eno ana ye nim say Coach Milo ni targeter Ghana dia ma no nti say ufeli ba ko dia tim say we feli nti ye ma kwan na de ko but after say ebo Afcon ni wiye no na ni Coach Milo edi nkomo say Ekroman oba ye no target say ne de ma say for Ghana ko de Afcon no cause in recent years no yakwa kwanim yakwa du final be twice ye na Africa ko final ba ko ye ne oji ye ne friend say Egypt akwa final ba ko no na Coach Milo yi na oye head coach Edema Black Stars our team dey qualify ko final yakwa du round of 16 ye drew I mean yakwa enim kakra nti isi ya nya ka yen ultimate na pese ye no so afia dia ye pese going for ultimate no enu na man target say afia Coach Milo udie ekwe kona kofa trophy na de fabra na yenwu say ultimate no ya de ya achieve enti GF nso betu ye nim say coach am appointing no or 2 targets to Saudi Ghana eko akwaji trophy ndi abafie no wasan de Ghana qualify akwa World Cup no na akobo ehumodin or World Cup no mo and before the game yabo game we are in some 12 mo work Cameroon na ebisa coach say coach group stages na we free mo and for the past best 16 years nie the abysmal performance ayenya or Afcon mu no and in fact not 16 years crampo Afcon mu say Ghana ya qualify ko Afcon a yeah boy even group stages ni yeah winning just a single game one of a bad resource Ghana yenya or Afcon mu just a single game crampo yeah winning and just a single game no say ebia o kan say ebia naka Ghana ne ebia Morocco bimo Ghana ne ebia Tunisia Ghana ne ebia Nigeria and Ivory Coast bimo no group ne ebia one qualify podia fine but a certain country you so twa no ahia Comoros Gabon Ghana ntimi anhye sa aman we an qualify fan ko manim and one of the bad results are Obano AFCON ma yeshia no enti game no kona wie na ebisa coach Milo say coach Milo na sisi ya the target de ma no afeli baako so oba resign anasa o twen kopim time efe ni be sake na reply coach Milo di ma yen say oba krom harom no wodi 3.5 months pe na 3.5 months no Ghana for me expecting so be magic eda ma yen
okan English ana okan ni krom kasa na ni interpreter no ni dad no enso achechim de maye enti na just say oyokura ni krom kasa no okan worse than translation no
ebetime course per reporter na ba bonte no utim say na why high tempered no dey kasa no enti ni interpreter
no ni butimi fu
ana ni bufu say nipa bia bufu
sa
enti once the interpreter no say ni busuani
and I make say no krampo no a a bit moderate and economical kakra no mpo no
yes
and our translate is on your magician I
bet him 3.5 months pe I qualify Ghana and that's what they kwaji a friend say ultimate no e da ba Ghana enti ni ultimate dey nim ni say obe qualify Ghana to the World Cup and if sobo obi timi bi na no ka say mafiri mu na so me resign na mo me ultimate dey nim say me qualify Ghana to the World Cup e be fi contract on GF for ko e what I say if say no cre
but mintwa wanu utie GFA president or see coach Milo enye matrama kwe but utie dia coach Milo yin so kan ya not to say AFCON na ekoi no de ye matrama kwe
o de ye matrama kwe
no nse da nye ade a na da na kuma
so this me say e be finia FND ba bonten ade ni am de coach Milo so ye de e kan ye. It may be two different things. Now, yakasa efa hu sisi yi. Cause ni nim say the target dem coach Milo ni say on fa Ghana ko winning AFCON, no fa qualify ko World Cup. But ye free mu AFCON ni wie no coach Milo say ne primary target no anya say no de Ghana qualify akọ offense akọ di trophy na ba o na mom ne main target ni say what the Ghana be qualify akọ World Cup. So ono de onyan resign ye. It is a Ghana never sacking the end sacking like a credit man, the young farmer no go.
But me to say a sacking.
Yeah, but I'm say, since you are coach Milo, Echima. Oh no, second, your more target say, Obo target ni for Ghana qualify for co offense World Cup. For Ghana co ultimate in Fabra Ghana. Sa two target do a target the amount. Achieve it all. Niyan twaso o contract niyan twaso for amount.
And what fairly back.
Now what fairly back. And ufeli baku wie no so no won say nka ye okasa bia nka bia obeka say na Andrew you eka say oh we will bounce back yeah your target there nim say betima
ko fa okasa wonya magician na ase oni ye wo ayi ntokwa bi kura dada
that's it also wonya magician untin for 3.5 months
onya magician who nim say was part of the contractual agreement no na enka ho ana
so that is the first question say be say who say contract be na GFA ni coach Milo ko ye no meka kire no enne no kre because as no meka kire na so nyom ka say coach Milo esan ye
onim so onya magician but oji tu mu say yes on fam NG AFCON
yes
na
on fine qualify ko
World Cup AFCON so as at the time I oba na ben I would say onche but oji tu mu na fe wa feli na obeka sa asem we kire ya
na bo nyame kan say yes coach Milo betimi akasa ebefi nia ebia GFA ne naka content GFA ne sign ye
it also made the content of contract and the better
abontin say yes target to a target number catch here no crazy the same thing no ma coach Milo cause untimi I mean untimi feli back na me kan chere say main target anti also contract here to qualify Ghana to the World Cup.
I see.
This means odi Ghana kokoji ultimate no eno na nya ne target. So that say matrama ko senia GF president be catch say coach Milo this second time na oba no enye matrama ko na oba be ye. Na mum odie ebe qualify akọ World Cup and to Zekwaji ultimate ne de fi AFCON ase de aba. So
oni mema wa home so na ma che etiefo be miensa bi soboti me che etiefo miensa soboti nti omo emfremra sisi ya mami announce number no na fe yento ankomotwetwe no eso 0201944485 0554 820910 ye chew soboti ne baako eye pack ankasa pa box no ye chew baako ko na kokonom unumu hia no ba betobi me ba cho udin ne ba kasa free
Dede ejadan so kasa free dan ya
enti ejadan so betumi abeje won
say no mama mo kwa la baji
enti yes boss
ma feel dread
wa femi won
akara ma feel a me am ko ba bi o enra nkwa na medu ye o
ni akwa ba
ma feel pa
enen so a wo bowre mu an enen so uti ya yeye eti eya no abeji soboti ne baako why
mate nta me
time bi abeba bia ye adwuma adwoda kopem dwoda ye mpon
yes me say the time ka dey 24/7 so dem about
yate
papa da na mo hu me da no me ka spa game now e course last year ho the about the me why
mate boss okay me da se bebre all right nti won so betumi aba ya che baako aka mienu me pa cho udin ene ba bia ka se free
Obuo
MP na sa wodi na o meje ye
me meje nti me ka
Mati boss. Okay, me da si bebre. E ba to unsu bremu na bra beje wodi e. Udin ni ba bia ka se free.
MP eja ka ba ka se fra kama abo.
Okay, abo de se obetimi abaje. Ana yem fan che se de wogi so yi.
Okay, abo
ije so kasa kire me
am tie gan ka ba de o kan shi ba ko pe wa ni tia pate
enti we de so boti de wo de ye den ana
kala ro fi
yate enti ya no abaji why
mate
me da se bebre se aso 3 no da bi MP de ne na yi o onu de na che nti yem fa la so pa cho tin be ka se free
akana ba ko pe ati wa sene
okay asene de so obetumi aba
na ba
okay nti e be hwe ani mu ba
ke di brebe na memra
be pa cho ye adwuma Monday to Monday
me pa cho yo ere na me aduma me ba ne ya me ba
okay nti uno mu wi anu adi ho adanse de akere omo aka no all right nti ye da se atiefo a mo afre beji soboti ne da mu nyina ma se obi asan afre biemu Udi ni bebe ka free.
Hello.
Me ba cho udi ni bebe ka free.
Aso ye bua sawo ne keke bi.
Kokobin.
Atai.
Na ube free kokobin abeji soboti wa ha.
Atai.
Eh. Mate. Enti ye be hwe animu ai.
Aso
yo ye da se. Bebre. Yenti mi fa ofrefo bi mo amofre ne mu nya botere ma me. Monday nyame san ka me koma me che bi aka ho. But mo metobi na monko try hwe soboti no many ambassador no mi amano mo a mo mafilia ntina me di ho adanse de mama no okay ti mayen san kona head of sports en fa yenwie kura mo amofre no mesre mo Monday na yedi sa adwuma no me kwahia me bi sai ne se wo hwe Ghana Blaster no a ye how pa ne sen ye how ye coach ye how ye players ye how ye management
obo ye how ye coach and omo appointed friends coach Miloi I think say fidie so ye kan
that's how they now support no
I never support appointing coach Milo back to the Black Stars. That one there for crabedi madance here
and it got to a time I was say omanya appointing there I was saying they support
na make us say omanya appointing no as Black Stars coach me I never support the idea of appointing coach Milo back to the Black Stars cause ofi Black Stars call you know and no e kwan kra coach Milo fi Black Stars call ya
wanfa kwan paso 89 was wanfa kwan paso no kra no ye consider nkrofo amoma ba be handle Ghana team na na was think ye consider ne bi
yes and from Ghana no ofi Ghana okoye no na director kasem bi no ho a o chema time na coach Milo e ba ye no na e wo players ye talented players your players ye group match your place omakoje under 20 World Cup efi Egypt e diaba so players nan tiase wom the day you many other couple of players be ye da some jana be join ye no ni a couple of players bi a nan tiase na dey e wo honom o ma boache and this time Coach Milo Oba no menya tototo sa and per Coach Milo Ofori Ghana no so no e bra akọ boy ye before Ghana bra boy Ghana no Ofori Ghana ekoye no bra akọ boy no na ensem fata
enti ebra okoko boy ensem fata me kra menye sports person kra no ma follow ma unse okoha ni apam no ofa ha ni yinadi ofa ha ni apam no na a personality like Kurt a personality like Randy Abbey any one more ka ho will go in for obia or kokochi team for what cry 5 months
Thailand do you mo e mo na Thailand for a produce
why would they go in for such coach
na sack no
for yen Ghana Blasters why
omo the Bible ntiane say bibia Ghana eduru ya qualify kwa AFCON and World Cup no so no aka few games na aka best 3 games na ya qualify wi nti ono so na one Ghana atinada nti ono onim Ghana ya bakosem kakra we coach Ghana da and for the past best 2010 eba no ono the best coach
supporter omode man no omo claim say ono na obeboa yen no sa support no de ma sika akono anka enye
na be ye but sika akono no so problem be face any say oye black coach and black coach no yen enye so oye black coach na ebon you na enso nkofo dictate the man so at ase selection bi wonu ma selection bi wonu ma I mean ultimately say nipa de ensem fata so oye part of the national team but I don't start that friend no and CK enso enia no because of say your player be a certain player be of Black Stars ni hu nipa wa ban mu your player be our friend e bia FM penifo no e be players na offer so onya sound mind and obetu kwan that is one tia obetu kwan ko UK obekọ Turkey obekọ kwa scouting no but time call up ni bedu no na ye din players be dey ewurawuram.
And back to my question, and I'm say your problem, partner. Then is it the coach? Is it management? Is it players? And I would just say a coach, but per their all canon. My own say your problem and your only coach,
not the only coach,
because coach Yakwe Milo bar 2010, or by 2 players are Yasha that train you from the scratch.
Yes.
And obetu no do mo ye adwuma
Samuel Nkumu the day you
omnyina go through sa we ni nyina rank ni nyina ombebo under 20 from under 20 to ansa no nyina graduate aba Ghana we no yes into obetu players are ya shedenya abotre train from the scratch
yeah
but this case no different frefre
kobo
ayen shedan tete wo mo Ghana ni pa no yobro ni fita yes wo ye Ghana ni enti dem pa na how.
And only the funny aspect. Abro from mama ba no bobo was before.
I'm running mum be bobo.
Abro from Daniel Kofichi any jiku no bobo crampo say before no. So what I say. Abo your problem back on ni. Yes, me didn't be blame coach no because of say the goalkeeping aspect on my loose. You fini and at the cronty asuboni yakodema coach ni say during the game e koso you will say place ye create chira ye when you will say place no e bi I fed up o ma bre ye wo the ball to one grandpa and tin so be dwana kokofa ball no so as a coach who gidie was squad of free anymore why don't you say be substitute ma obiaba and still now you still maintain some players say be na ball na do ni there na draw na but na who maintain draw no
yeah can Blasters as ready will be there but Kofi Odro I say good morning my brother. Yeah, from Udru Francis, may share live Efi Enkrai Dan Soman. Kotoko is the best team in Ghana. God no go shame Nanaya Wamponsa. We are some. Okay, so nonetheless, thanks for coming through with your comment. Inti, wrap it up near sorry Sonia Kokrano. Yen Ghana Blaster no, Uji say, ni day and a be
abo Black Stars no. A do timer. Wouldn't say Black Stars edahui. The head coach. Okita Black Stars no enye GF ne tuanika aban ene tua coach nika so ya ban so na ya nakwa ya asemi ko MPP ba opeso chire bibia me ye kase
we peso chese me ma breso na me ji we
NDC ba on so peso chire bibia ne wo se NDC abreso no ye ne we bet obo se wokọ other countries unim bibi and then can be who no show so I think say last year I can say football no it is a pyramid you invest it e wo nkwalaabre mu ene di benya
mimi problem nyina no
yes
uso ko Morocco a o ma se de nya botre e train wo mo from nkwalaabre mu no
scratch
enti no akola ni nyina na dwene nyina ye
football
and omodi oman som honhom no nso asade ase omumu se kun ho fama wo man no hwe player bi na obo no hwe jersey number 22 obo de Malawi okay already we are wakeka na tare asem ni we no ni jersey no wakeka de asem no watwe nika na bo na furumu a je ahoɔden ɔde awura mu bo ne nye bo ketwa sabra na Jordan Ayew de ne na tare ato ne to ase
unim sa time
Jordan Ayew de ato ne to ase
2006 you be qualify for World Cup no e na Ghana ye hu say oman no e de omakoma nyina type Black Stars na chi and obo Sierra Leone omufo anso so na buy plane kro man for bia ma omo say omusika so a okọ offense Guinea once na say na ntokwasi ho no omo soja ni no lead wo o say amount we no dey mom da kono mom nim na so ko fa cap na mba obagin sika back so omo kon omo dedicated obo sometimes so aya proud and I say aya ahunhuwa say obadon national team jersey so what I say so countries be banana team so individual players be omo performing wo ma and ya team ball AFCON Equatorial Guinea a qualified akon anim and only say na ke win against Comoros and ke qualify cause I'm no can say Comoros is at 3 points or the share Ghana no say 3 goals or the share Ghana no nya say 3 points or the qualifier no 16 Okobobi so what I say to the best third best place no Comoros are qualified the kon anim
all right
think you say Comoros na kamno ka say kenya ye can different aspects and I say ye can different case asem e ha but ni nyina no aginsem and in some people want me beka cause Black Stars ni de emu nsem no obo
but say echina mo be mo long sports program no
echina yes
okay
echina
enti ye beba ni nyina dia no abetumo bi enti ye da se bebre anopai all right enti head of sports AHENKAN933 Joshua Kwabena Jenim and I would say in kind of walk by check is checking out time. Or to where then you are cool. And I wonder. All right, it's your faster than confirm about form so you move from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and a Friday. And I did meditating in a day baby for the week. Yeah, bonfire saying and coupon who are there for the ensuing week ahead of us. Say Yankopon beka yan ho bebo yan ho ban ye be san ba bio me pa cho hwo nsuye wo hwo nsuye ni esu be mo atumi ni che Adwempa Yini Kofi Mensah lead producer Kobe K assistant Kwame Asante in charge of socials Udi Ankan Kwame Yaboa in charge of executive production what from me Obuoba Ofori Amanfo privilege to speak on behalf of them throughout the week. Yeah, that's Sibibre nyame nka mu nyina mo ho ya wanted that set next week Monday Chonsuye. Nieko ye boy abaso nyanko ye twen adwensi so. To err is human, to forgive is divine. Ye de ene ye nkase ye boy de bebremo no, ni ndi animu no, e de bremo kwaku enin kusibwadum atenase.
Anopo no ndu about 1 minute baako eye nsem ado abeti wa awia prem to bra kan kasemu ena empo enwe no nsia akan kasemu kwasibro ni beka se headlines naposo ena mbe gboso de am kwaku enin kusi buadum edikan Ghana ban ede ababetu dwa se sika wo mu bede betutoto nyoma de bi betutu kwan ne sanwema no wo mateso kra na enamsoma Jacob bisa Ghana fo bi se ebo di atesu ni o moni je ho o de to fo bi ti se yi 11 na se fo na mo ni je ho na mo je pene ya ne wo ma bin wo sikase mu nso ebedi nkoma afa ho Dream Central Municipal Assembly bebo wrem ene ahye wonom hwe ho masua so mansini mu na ene wo madi nkomo afa new calendar Ghana Education Service dia ba ene akire nsem pinso yi ya ne ombe kasa na omo so de omo no aba batum na omo ma nkyereke kakra DVLA fonso abo ahyenka fo kokko se ma wo mo nkwaje license a tumi bia nim enye papa frakadam license watu omo fo pa enwon sam yede ba National Road Safety Authority for atu won matwi kasa ede famgo ene jamframa ekwa miamia wodro wa kwan so no wamatu wamfo pa enam de asi e obogo so no amanfo nso atiemu de frɛ amanfo atiemu de frɛ contractor ena fi mensini kra chimpanifo e wo Brim Central Municipal Assembly e wa chim odan El Shaddai sukumu on mkejidan no musino amra bi da chiro no na enkoda goro nse yi no womo sre pa ene school dan womo so mehwe na womo ento mu zamfiri hu Deputy Lance Minister Papai akase womati aginatu ko bia womo ba bebua na ehwehwemu dogodogodogo e wo se koso e wo bogoso apienti awro semesi androda no womo ba behwa masade na atoto na kwanso Glocksack fonso womo strike omo yeso mo kono sesi womo atwam womo anyanko biem womo ateso kra na yebusa se ene akwakoye fiada akwakoye boja akwakoye Frankie Friday no yebusa se mobile money pin no se ono yereti ana onpenate obekire no ana wo nkire no ne questioner yebusa manfo atro madwen ye ne counselors enso ebedi hu nkomo sanso ana pomdimu no de obetin se yebisa se asenam yade peja kosoro paatitu ni empotam ya sei kwana ekosoro eno nso ye ne manfo bia didi hu nkomo ye ne abenfo bedi hu nkomo ne ne adokitafo bi nso adi hu nkomo na wo mu ama ye nkire ti wei ene nsem bia betete ewo awia ene anwumre jakan kasie mu medin di kwaku anin kusi buadumeko na adwuma kwabena kosti